Hey everyone, welcome on in. Happy Sunday. We're going to get started with our YouTube app. The thing that I want, basically the idea is we're making a video player app that can stream video. You can upload videos and you can play the videos. And that would be the ultimate goal. We obviously could do a lot more things and go a lot further. And every single day, how's it going there? Yo, wait, how do I say your name? Rith, hey Rith, hey, quick fix, hey, good to see ya. Rith, wait, hold on, Rithvic119. Yeah, it's good to see you. Welcome on. Good to have you here. All right, let me know if I how to say your name properly so I can remember it. Remember your name correctly. Rithvic. Rithvic? Wait, Rithvic. That's it. Rithvic. Okay, good. Okay, so we're building a YouTube app. The idea is a video player app. Straightforward. You can upload videos and you can load videos. Yes, Rithvic. All right, we did it. Do I need a private key? I can give it to you later. Yes, you don't need it. You don't need it right now. You do not need it. Quick fix. We could give it to you later though. It's not needed right now. So you can get going with the existing tech. Okay, so with the existing API keys. Let's see here. All right, so what do we want to do today? We have a plan for today. I would like to see, we could do some PubNub file hosting. Sounds good. All right, good to hear it. We could do PubNub file hosting. And then today we could view the video. We should be able to view the video. Afada, hey, how's it going? Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. All right, so I think this is the plan. We could do these things. If we do file hosting here, it's going to be a lot easier because then we just point the video player to the file, and it'll be way easier. A lot easier. So let's see if we can at least get the view of the video file. So we should be able to download the video. Technically, this is the download video, or stream the video. Stream video. This will be the plan for today. I did not plan this out. I do not know specifically what we're going to need to do it. If I was going to do this from scratch and on my own, I would do chunked encoding, simple chunked encoding. I think that would be I would just stream it kind of slowly, like small little bits of chunk, just enough to where the video can play over time. Are we vibe coding the front end just to do a simple version? Yes, yes, we will. We'll do. So that also could be something that we want to do. So vibe code front end to video player. So we could do that. That would be using FreeBuff. Maybe. I mean, when I used it yesterday, it took like minutes. It took minutes to load, like a lot of minutes. So we'll see. We'll try it out. If that doesn't work, we'll do like Codex or Claude or something else. It works again in seconds. Okay, we'll give it a try. You know what? What we could do is we can just boot this up here. FreeBuff. Is it called FreeBuff? Okay, we'll try it. Yo, Raj, good to see you. Hey, what's up? Good to have you here. Happy Sunday. All right, we'll see if that works. All right, try it for free. See, am I doing it right? Okay. Let's see. Some were offline. All right, it was a server upgrade. Got it. Okay. So let's see. 1 hour left. All right, in session. I'm not familiar with this. I've never done this. Wait, so the video stuff works? Oh, hey, Neva. Yeah, so we've got this is the part. Good to see you, Neva. Welcome on in. So the parts that we have here, we've got quite a bit working so far. What do we have working so far? We uploaded the video, and we've got a video directory. So we've got an API where we can post video, upload it. Looks good. We don't have a video streaming endpoint yet. So we need to build that first. Hey, how's it going there? I've Colin. Good to see ya. Hey, what's up? Can you reply me on chat because my headsets are not working right now? Okay. Hi. Good to see you here. Happy Sunday. All right. Don't forget to like. Oh, thank you. Quick fix. Appreciate it. Pin, please. Okay, I'll pin. Sure. All right. Let me see here. Go to pin. There you go. All right. Done. There may be something. JS solution that already doing streaming. Yeah, probably. I think so. Yeah. So let's do some research. Let's Google for best way to YouTube. By the way, how's your day going so far? Going well, thank you. Okay. Yeah, never. So we should let's look for some options. See, HTTP. I want to do HTTP streaming for maximum compatibility. Obviously, you're thinking like UDP. We could do that as well. So there's a lot of options available. Hey, Sergio, happy Sunday. Good to see ya. Welcome on in. Finally got to see ya, my app man. Oh yeah, finally we did. Yes, it happened. It happened. So did you play any games? GTA, Fortnite? Have not. Just Minecraft. Just Minecraft. Once. We did once that. Go to check it first. Which app? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? HB3 can probably do it just as well or close to it. Yeah, because it's UDP. It's UDP. It's quick, right? That's quick protocol. Too much AI harness Hermes. Yeah, open code. I'm done. Competition is good for consumers. Yes, pretty good. It's pretty good. What do you think of it? Live options, opinions, please. So, Raj, you're talking about so was it the wildlife conservation stuff, right? Related to the AI analysis of like extinction probabilities. Is that what that was? Yeah. It was good. It was good. It was well designed. It was clean. The UX needed help because I didn't know exactly where to go. There were some UI element bugs. So some every day. Yes, I do. Yes, every day at 8:30 a.m. Except this next week here coming up, I need to stream a little bit earlier in the day because I've got my full day blocked out past 9 a.m. So I'll probably stream like around 7:30 to 9 a.m. for Tuesday to Friday. Tuesday, Friday, yeah. Working on your system. Nice. Thoughts on the backend and models? I have no idea. I couldn't see it. I have no idea. Raj, I was not able to see. Let's see. USA, Seattle, Washington. Oop. There we go. Perfect. Okay. We need to do HTTP video streaming fast API. Let's see what options are available to us. Yeah. Let's take a look here. Low latency video API. No. To implement HTTP video streaming, is this chunked encoding is what I'm curious about because that's how I would do it. That's how I would do it. Oh, it looks like it is. Oh, wait. Yield chunk. Oh, look at that. That's pretty straightforward. Streaming response. Is that chunked encoding? Let's find out. You know what? We could probably just look at the source. All right, I like this. Look, that's going to be really easy. See, I love easy, simple, clean stuff. This is great. What's next week's stream? Next week, so we've got a couple of ideas. So once we get the video streaming here, and that's all good, then I want to switch over to another project, probably. Wait, you're from Texas? No way! Nice, that would be great. Nice, that would be great about your channel. Well, can I suggest you something? Sounds good. Sounds good. Lots of chats, you guys. Lots of chats happening. Let's see. I'm sharing a Discord. All right, sounds good. You gotta check it back again. The model is the main section. Okay. Let's see here. All right. I'm sharing a Discord link. Okay. Discord. Where is it? Link share, you said? All right. Let me know when it's ready. So let's do this. Let's go through this video here. So let's do a streaming response. It should probably be in the video model. The video model file. Okay, I'll tune in to see. Have a good one, everyone. See ya. All right, sounds good, Sergio. Yeah, so we have several ideas. We got several ideas for next week. Maybe do some Malbolg. Wait, that was Torv's idea. We'll try maybe some Malbolg. We'll see how far we get with the video streaming app here. I just want to get to the point where we're at least streaming video, and then we're good to go. I think your content is really amazing, and you have great potential to make it even better. So just adding stuff to stream. All right, like what? Like what? All right, so let's see if we can get this going here, you guys. I think we can. So we're gonna do fast API streaming responses. I'm gonna copy and paste this real quick. Yep, copy. Okay, and then I'm gonna say, is this chunked encoding? The transfer encoding, right? So let's say transfer encoding chunked. Let's see if that's, I think it's gonna say, yeah. No, it's not. The seekable stream option 2 is not transfer chunked encoded. What? No way! Hold on. This, when you include a content length in the header response, you explicitly tell the browser exactly. Yeah, right. I know about the transfer. Yep. Here's the difference. Seekable uses content length and then content range. Oh, automatically transfer. Wait, basic streaming automatically uses. Okay. No content length in the header declared. Asynchronous interval packages. Okay. All right. So we're going to try this out. We're going to see. Hey, Narua. Good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Logos, banners, overlays. Yes, I need that. Yes, need that. Okay. All right. We're learning new things, you guys. We're learning new things. PV paste into our reference.py. And then we're going to read this. Here we go. Let's make it happen, you guys. Wait. By reference. Let's open it up here. Reference. There we go. You're a designer, by the way. Oh, nice. Nice. So, yeah. So I am looking for some potential, like, emotes and badges, etc. So that might be interesting. All right. So let's take here. So we do have our video file, and it's stored in the database. So we should be able to list the videos. That should work. And then maybe grab a thumbnail of the video. Maybe you could do that as well. Something like that. Nice. All right. Okay. Here we go, you guys. Let's do streaming video today. We're gonna do streaming video. That's the plan. Let's see if we can get some streaming video here. All right. I want to go to our video file. We're gonna open up the reference again. Here we go. And then we'll say chunk. That's a big chunk size. That's a pretty big chunk size, but I think that'll be fine here. So 1 megabyte chunk size. And we've got our video file, so we don't need to worry about that. Grab this. Here we go. Responses, streaming response. Do we need to, so here, 1 second. I don't think I need that. Not in the model file. I don't need that in mod file. Yo, good morning. Yo, great developers, rockin' brain. Good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. All right. Ivy Collins, sounds good. Sounds good. Join Discord and we can chat on DMs. Okay. Good to see you, Walking Brian. Welcome on in. All right. Here's what I want to do. Thank for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. All right. Let's keep going. So I want to do this part here. Yeah. All right. So path, string, video streamer, path. Open the file, and then we're going to grab all the chunks. And then file like. What is that? Oh, this must be the link or something. That's weird. And then yield the chunk. So this is an iterator. All right. So we got a real iterator here. Steven, look into JSHLS. It seems to do the video thing well. Okay. Google JSHLS. All right. Let's take a look at this. HLS JavaScript library, implement a live streaming client. Oh, perfect. That's exactly what we need. Okay. So this is the front end. Thank you, Neva. All right. Perfect. It supports all the things. Let's bring this in, you guys. Let's bring this in. So I'm going to bring this over here. I want to open up our to-do list and then put this on our to-do list for today, maybe. Here we go. All right, HLS right there. All right. We want live streams too, right? If we have time to add it. We did want to add it in there, right? That was one of the things that we wanted to add. So I do want to put like a cap on the amount of time that we spend on this project. True? Yeah. Perfect. All right. So I would like to at least get the video upload part, like the minimum viable is getting like, you can upload videos and you can watch videos, right? That's the MVP. If we can do that, I think we're in a good spot. Then it's just, we could start adding features from there if we wanted to make it go further. You'd be relying on browser doing the new HTML, but who cares? Yeah. Well, hey, we're good to go. That's the world that I come from. I know web development, up and down, left and right, all the different things. That's my expertise world. Get Office required and needed. Well, if we were really going to host it, if we really were, though, GitHub would be a pretty good option. So that might be something that we get out in there. How's it going there, Junior Forbes? Welcome on in. Do the Wolverine voice. What do you mean? What do you, like, wait, is there a Wolverine voice? Wait, I don't know. Like, is it like just a deep voice? I need, does the Wolverine have a quote? Google Wolverine, from, what is it? The X-Men, right? X-Men, voice. Wait. Wolverine voiced by, hey, look at that. Oh, it's someone similar to my name. Is that why you're saying Junior Forbes? Is that what you're saying? That's because that's the Wolverine voice. That's not me. that's a different Steve Blum. That's a different Steve Blum. Yes? Whoa, no way. Yeah, that's not me though. That's someone else. You got me confused. Yeah, I don't have distinctively deep voice. His role includes Spike Spiegel and Cowboy Bebop. No way. Yeah, that's a different, that's not me. Let's see.
Merry Christmas, Josh. I'd love to see your collection. Good old Disney. And
okay.
Cyclops with
It's the OG Wolverine. Okay, OG Wolverine. All right. For video hosting, I think you kind of need your own server for the database also, and just CDN for serving. Yes, we've got that. Yep, exactly, Neva. Yes, exactly. We will get it running. You should be able to use it. I would like you to be able to upload videos, be able to play videos, and that will be the ultimate objective. Sounds great. Unfortunately, I can't hear anything. All right. I can't join any Discord servers right now because of reach server limit. Really? A friend request instead of we can see a DM IB Collins? Okay. Maybe. Can I do that? All right, here, let me try it real quick. 1 second, you guys. Message, let's see, add. That doesn't show up. Your name doesn't show up. No results are found. Says no results. Oh, yeah. Didn't work. No results. Okay. No results. Sorry about that. No worries. Okay, here we go. Let's bring this back over here. All right. So where are we at here with our business? You can do it. All right. Sounds good. Quick fix. Here we go, you guys. Let's do our streaming video. I want to do the streaming video. I think I'm going to really enjoy this part of this. All right. Let's go to chunk size. Let's go back to our reference. We need to pull in the video streaming part of this. Okay. So let's call this stream. Let's type it out so we memorize it a little bit better. So we'll do def stream, and we say the video ID, the ID, and then that will allow us to grab the file because we know what the file is a string. Okay, so path equals, we need to figure out where our path is. 1 second. Here we go. File. Oh, PWD. What we should do is we should make this a global. PWD. There we go. Let's make this a global. Present working directory. Here. Paste it. Delete. All right. Here's the present working directory. So now we can reuse that. So we can reuse it across different things here. All right. Let's see here real quick. I can help quick. Oh, hey. All right. Thank you, quick fix. Copy my name and paste there. Yes, I did that. It didn't work for me. Maybe quick fix. Yeah, quick fix. If you're able to connect with I've Colin on Discord, let me know. All right, here we go, you guys. Yo, Raj. All right, did you get the thing on Discord? Here we go. Just keep going, you guys. Okay, all good. Send you a friend request. Thank you. All right, so what is our path? Where is this at? PWD, file name. All right, we'll just do this here. File name, upload directory. All right, yeah, there we go. Worked that real easy. I love it. Our code's already good. We can even create a get like a little helper function. Let's do that really quick. Let's create a little helper function. I think that would be a good idea. Here we go. All right, so we're gonna say def get video file. video file, and then we say video ID string, and then we'll return this basically. Return. And then we just simply easy pass this in over here. So that way, now we have a uniform file. There we go. Perfect. All right. So now we can just use this. Perfect. All right. A nice little helper function there. Like to see it. Like to see it. Okay. Check Discord. Okay. Hey, Prince Rohit. Good to see ya. A world of vibe coders, and I'm happy to see a real software engineer. Hey, all right. Yeah, that's us. You got it. That's the right. This is the channel. This is the channel for that. We do live coding by hand. We do live coding, and we are going to be learning a lot of things over the next years. So I'm really excited about this because this means that we have an opportunity to like learn things like Haskell. We can do some Erlang and Elixir, right? We know other languages, right? So I also want to get into the Candle library in Rust. The Candle library. I think that's a really neat machine learning library that I'm interested in taking a look at. So we'll do that also. So we've got a lot of things to do. And something I also have never really done, we did a little bit of image generation with AI. We wrote our own AI algorithm to generate images. And I did a little bit. I did like a little bit, right? I like regenerated the PyTorch logo. We taught the AI how to generate images. But I want to go further. I want to like do like a larger image model. Hey, Neon Java, good to see you. Hey. Welcome on in. This is probably out of my context, but what background music do you use for your streaming? Oh, really easy option here. Oh, hold on a second. The answer is right here. Really easy. This is YouTube Studio Music. That's it. It's YouTube Studio Music. And I went through all of the songs that I wanted. There was like 1,000 songs or so. I went through all of them and I found my favorite ones. So I found my favorite. Basically, there's 98 favorite tracks that I found. Did your moderator send me a friend request? They will be... Yes. Okay. So yeah, that's the answer. There we go. Hey, Bungie, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Hey, PKR Live, bro, your stream system specs, please. Sure. Okay, we'll show you. Take a look at this. Let's see here. We will do this. Here we go. Yeah, we'll throw it on this top here. There you go. All right. So we've got 16 cores. This is the Apple M processor, right? And we've got 128 gig memory. We got a lot of memory. And we're using 98 gigs for whatever reason. However, we're doing that. Yeah, hey, Wolves, good to see ya. How's it going? Been a while. Yo, welcome on back. Good to have you here. Happy Sunday. Local admin, good to see ya. All right. Got to say, Steven, you're really talented and humble. Thank you, Raj. Appreciate it. Probably, I'll see here, you guys. Thank you. Bungie, absolutely. All kinds of ads for streamer thumbnails. Nice. Okay. Here we go. All kinds of ads. Oh, wait, that might not be... That sounds sus. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Okay, so yeah, there's my stream specs. Really straightforward, right? System specs right there. Right there. Easy. There we go. Leave the window. All right. Wolves, I have a question. Okay, what do you got? What's your question over there? What is your question? Very important, need your view. I am starting a project startup. Okay, and need your view on ideas, whether it's worth it or not. Okay, sounds good. LinkedIn, there we go. DM me. Looking forward to it. Yay, hey, quick fix, you found it. That is a new, we're trying to get set up here on Twitch with all the different things they've got over there. We're trying it. We're going to see if it works or not. See if it works. All right, Raj, we'll check Discord. Got 2 days left. Bungie, okay. 2 days for what? 2 days for what? Where did you put it? Let me see here. Did you send like a direct message maybe? Let's see here. 1 sec. Okay, yeah. Can you tell me what you wanted me to check again? Would you be able to help me understand what you were having me check? And where did you put it? Because I don't see it. I don't see, it's like, it's not here. It's not there. What do you want me to do? Let's see. Yeah, you should try Twitch. It has some coding category. Ah, yeah. Nice. Direct message. Okay. So I see the direct message. And it says, did you check this? Yes, I did. I did check that. But it doesn't tell me any of the information regarding the technology or your approach. It just shows a pretty graph, and I can't evaluate that. So that's my response. I can't evaluate it because I don't know what the algorithm is, what tech you used, what framework did you use, did you write it yourself, did the AI write it, that sort of thing. So, hey, how's it going there? Riddick, yo, welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Okay, let's keep going, you guys. Then I can try to make a game. Ooh, Bungie, nice. Hey, that sounds really great. Yo, Dadam. Hey, Steven, can you name one YouTube-like web app back in the days that didn't make it? Oh, ooh, is this like trivia? Is this trivia? I don't know. Let me see if I can think of something here. All right, there we go. Okay. I don't know. I don't. So oh, Vine. I've got it. I've got the answer. Vine. There. Does that count? Did I win? Have you heard of Roblox? Yes, I have. Sharing a GitHub repo here. All right, sounds good. Sounds good to me. Bro, are you using Fast API? Yes, I am. Is shot? Yes. Fast API right there. Right there. I might code in Roblox Studio. Oh, nice. Excellent. Fast API. You got it. You identified that really quick. Very nice. All right, so let's do some video streaming, you guys. Let's do a little bit of video streaming here. So I want my video stream function to live right here. And then we're just going to open a file for read, and then we're going to transfer the chunks. And we'll yield the chunks. That's it. Keeping it easy right there. So this is just an iterator. It's a really simple iterator. Okay, so with open file name mode equals read binary mode as handle. There we go. And then we'll say, we do want to say chunk. Chunk is a good name for this. Handle dot read chunk size. And then we say, I would like to see if we can do do this differently. Can we do this differently? If not chunk break, I suppose we could do that. Chunk, but I'm gonna say this differently. We should also spell it correctly. If not chunk break, I'm gonna do it like that. Yield chunk. Okay. See, that's a little bit cleaner. I think it's a little bit cleaner because it's like really obvious what's going on right there. It's really obvious. After I master coding in Roblox, probably move on to actual games. Oh, Bungie, nice. Excellent. That's a good starting point. That's a really good starting point. Hey, Gokul, happy Sunday. Good to see you. What are we building? We are building the streaming part of the video. So we've got the video upload complete. The video upload works. And now we're going to be streaming the video back to a client. HTTP streaming. It's a new technology. Have you ever heard of it? Hey, Hassan. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. All right, let's keep going, you guys. So now we did the streaming part. Now all we have to do is test it. Can we do a little bit here? We have to do the controller first. We have to do the controller. Here, let's do the controller part first. Let's see here. 1 second. Main file. Go to main. There we go. Video. So this is the fetch video. This is the post video. Now, I'm just trying to think of how we're going to do this. How the heck are your live subtitles earlier than your voice? Hey, Stormycraft DE. I know, they're pretty good, right? They're predictive. They're the future. They're future. It's really good. So is tech. If you're interested, it's technology I wrote 8 years ago. 8 years ago, available on GitHub for free if you're interested. And if you want, you can also have like one word at a time. Have one word at a time show up on the screen. So you can do that. Very cool. Sometimes they're very wrong. Yeah, I know. They're not perfect. They're not perfect. They're pretty good though. You like conditional statements? This is the first conditional statement that I have in my code. Where is that? So most of my code does not have the conditional statements. Here we go. Check this out. Video. See, this is the only conditional statement. Anywhere. Right there. Right there. Buddy C# has scopes in future because I was working on .NET Core. I remember the .NET days. But did you add delay for your cam mic? Yes. Yeah, so that's the trick. That is the trick. you figured it out. You figured it out. Subtitles are amazing. Yeah. They're pretty good. They're pretty good. I like them. But if you want, they're free, open source, available to you. Right there. Maybe Steven he needs help with some thumbnails, by the way. Yes. Sounds good. All right. Why is there a single conditional statement? Oh, yeah. So this is just to say break. And I was wondering if, because it's the only single conditional statement that I have here, if I could eliminate it. Is there a way that I could eliminate this? I can check this, right? So there might be. I don't know if there is or not. I think this is the only option available to me. I think it is. Check above message. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, the subtitle's amazing. Is there above message? What are you saying here? So I see Raj, you said check above message, and your above message is, yeah, the subtitles are amazing. Is that the one that you're talking about? GitHub is shared on Discord. Oh, the GitHub link. Okay, got it. Yeah. Let's grab that. Let's grab that, you guys. Let's take a quick look. Okay. Do you like NASA? Sure. I like NASA. JPL. Jet Propulsion Labs. Can you gift subscription? Oh, yes. 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 Dare you? Oh wait, I never dare to try streaming or bound task in Python stack because latency and cost is so much. Might be better with Redis. Oh, Redis is pretty good too. I mean, obviously, yeah, it's not a video. It's not videos. It's not large data. Redis is typically like smaller amounts of data, caching. You get the H keys. You get a whole bunch of things. Will I be lucky now? Get 5 gifts? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Let me see here. 1 second. All right. We'll try it out. We'll try it out. We'll see. I don't know if this will work or not. I don't know if this will work or not. I don't have it set up. I don't have it set up to work. We'll have to do it later. We'll have to do it later. The next one comes in 10 days. So in 10 days. We can do it in 10 days. You could replace this Python with essentially equivalent C and just make a shared library. It's like a basic Unix code. Yeah, I know. This is like very simple. It's actually pretty clean. It's really simple. We could absolutely do that. We could absolutely do that. Okay, let's keep going. Hey, how's it going there, Network? Yo, Network Bib. Welcome on in. Thanks for saying hi. Where was it? On general chat, you said? Where'd you put? Oh, did you share it in on link share? Okay. Here's the GitHub. Okay. Got it. All right, let's take a quick look here. Very, very heavily vibe coded feeling here. Did you write any of the code? I mean, is it even worth me looking at? Forecasting, XG boost. Is this even worth me looking at? Did you even write this? I'm actually also not familiar with the XGBoost library. I know scikit-learn pretty well, and it's pretty standard and pretty straightforward. It's clean. The code's clean. Gotta go, Bungie. All right. Thank you for saying hi. Good to have you here. Waterfall stream. The waterfall stream? This is a regular, video streaming, right? Video streaming. We're doing some video streaming, you guys. All right, let's keep going. Raj, let me see. Oh, you got an LSTM forecast. How did you do that? Did you XG boost it? Okay. I'm looking through this. Ooh, I like. Where'd you get this at? LSTM. Where's this at? Where'd you get that? Here we go. Oh, from in TensorFlow. Whoa. This is a little bit much here. This is weird. So this is weird. It's unusual to use 3 libraries like this together. Okay, Raj, here's my question to you. Why did you do 3 separate libraries like this? That's my question. That's my big question to you. Scikit-learn and XGBoost and TensorFlow and Profit. Like Profit is a Meta Facebook. Good old TensorFlow, you know, right? The old TensorFlow. You should never use TC and XGBoost in the same, never unless there's two problems. Yeah, exactly. See, I think this is weird. So this is very weird here. Raj, you have to justify this. You have to justify this. And if you can't, you do not pass the class. You do not pass. All right. All right. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. Yeah, so this was immediately obvious here. Some weirdness. And then Seaborn Shore for visualization. Matplotlib for making pretty. This is weird. It's very weird. All right, Raj, what's your answer? What's your answer? Let me pull back over to our Discord here. Okay. All right. Yeah, vibe coded. Okay. All right, well, there you go. That's the answer. Then, not gonna lie. All right, I figured as much. It looked like it. So then it's not something that you really did, and so it's kind of difficult to say why or any reasons behind it. So yeah, we can't tell. Yeah, we can tell. We can tell. But not completely. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can get our streaming going here, you guys. Thank you for the hearts. Appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. All right, let's keep going. I think we get everything we need, so we just need to do streaming response now. So let's grab this over here. We're going to grab this streaming response right there. Okay. Then we need to return a streaming response based on the video path. And so now we just need to we need to get the video ID, right? We just need the video ID and we should be able to start streaming back the data. I think that's way. Bungie back. Hey, all right, Bungie. Good to have you back. The README is clear with the proper pipeline and architecture. That's the last thing we'll take a look at here before we start going back to coding now. All right, let's see. We'll look here. Back over to the main. All right. You said the pipeline? Where's that at? Okay, here we go. Not just a visualization wrapper. Data ingestion. Feature engineering. Okay. Okay. That describes a little bit of why maybe you might be using different libraries, but you don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. Hey, Kyle, good to see ya. I'm gonna be honest. All right, Bungie, what's that? What's that? I don't know most of the things you're talking about. Oh, don't worry. Hey, don't worry. Eventually, it'll all sink in. Eventually, it does. It does. XGBoost to train the class on data for multi-class risk level prediction. Weird. You could do that. I don't know why you'd want to. Random forest trained on trend dataset population class. Okay. Runtime inference. The dashboard loads pre-trained model weights. Wait, so the dashboard actually regenerates the results on the fly and you don't save the results. So Raj, that's actually another question that I have for you. Are the results actually hey, Cardinal Erdem, good to see ya. Happy Sunday. So, Raj, just really quick. Does the data always, every single time, get regenerated? Or is it stored? XGBoost gives better accuracy in small data sets? Okay. Well, let me know, Raj. My next question to you is, do your models run every time the page loads? Or do you have a storage of your results? Seems like the sort of problem you want to throw statistics and not an artificial neural network, right? Exactly. No, it's not regenerated. Okay. Where is the data store? Data classification data set. Leaderboard. Do you have where's the data at? Plots? Maybe it's under plots, yeah? Let's take a look here at plots. No. Oh, okay. So it's just, you've got some interesting, I'm checking to see here. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Oh, what's the gem thingies and gifts? Oh, Bungie. That is when you give me money. That's it. That's all that is. That's literally all that is. It's like, oh, here's the money. Oh, thank you. And it is not something that you have to feel like you have to do. We want to know why the model thinks some things. A linear representation would be much nicer, especially if you can analyze the factors. Okay. it saved the data set, and there's an option to save new data sets, and the model can train itself. Got it. Got it. Data. Interesting. Okay. All right. Well, as far as I can tell, it's a little overcomplicated. It doesn't need to do as much as it's doing right now. It's importing too many libraries. You should be sticking to like one. Like Neva was describing, you probably don't need to do this with an artificial neural network. You could probably do this with standard stats. So you could do even just scikit-learn would be enough. So you only need scikit-learn. You don't need XGBoost. You don't need TensorFlow. You don't need PyTorch. For this kind of data, you'd be better off. You'd be better off with just scikit-learn. You'll be rich and famous from this app. Yo, all right. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right, let's keep going. We're going to go back to our code now, you guys, and we're going to do video streaming. There's a baseline model for the baseline prediction and comparison. Okay. All right. Sounds good. Just scikit-learn would be enough, yeah. Maybe XGBoost if you need accuracy and don't care for a reason. Usually not the case, though. All right. See? Right there. We got some validation. Good to hear it. All right, so we're going to return a string. So where do we want this in our controller at? We need this in our controller here. So we've got our upload. We've got our post. Are we doing... Let me see here. I'm going to make a video. Sounds good. See, sounds good, Bungie. You've been making videos. Hey, Kyle. All right. Good to hear it. Using... Videos are the future. Videos are the future. Let's go. All right, so let's review all of our code here real quick. Backend main. All right, where is a good place? Also, I have some redundancy in here. So get videos. I think that one stays. Video container ID video. We don't need this. This can go away. I think we can delete this. We can delete that code. Hey, Avatruva, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Hey, Stormy, what's the name of the music? This is Scarlet Fire. Here we go. It is a Creative Commons free YouTube studio music. There we go. Start Scarlet Fire by Otis McDonald. Otis McDonald. There you go. All right, you guys, here we go. Let's get back into it. Let's get back into it. Video killed the radio star. Pretty much, right? I like that song. That's one of my favorite songs. I really like that song. I was like really into that song. Choose each model for the time forecast, prediction, and risk classification. Okay, that seems fair. It should have been abstracted away so that way it's separate into different. Everything had its own purpose. For example, when we looked at that file, that code file, everything was crammed into that one giant file. And it didn't make any sense. Like the abstraction was very poor. It needed to be simplified and better segmented, I think. Random forest gives you 100% accuracy anyway, so hey, there you go. Hey, might as well. Just do the random forest with a lot of leaf nodes, When is it done, the backend side? We're doing the video streaming now, and it should be mostly done. So you can load videos, you can watch videos, and you can upload videos. That's like the two main things that we want to do here. I get your point, Steven. All right, good to hear it, Raj. Kind of overfitting in small data sets, so it's pretty limited for real raw data. Got it. Okay. Got it. Holtz Winter can probably do the forecasting or just down a windowed rando forest regression. Okay. We've got some options. You've got some options there. Yo, Prince, what are you saying? You did a sim with 1,000 people and then used object-oriented programming and the system crashed in seconds. Research and change the data-oriented programming and it worked. That's a good learning right there. And there you go. You learned something new. All right. It's weird, though, that OOP would fail. That's really weird that OOP would fail. I think that's odd. I think that's unusual. I think it's unusual. All right. I think that's good. Very unusual. OOP is really slow for some. For sim. Oh, for sims. Oh, okay. Yes. All right. So you simulated, but even with 1,000 though, 1,000 would be fine, right? Even OOP 1,000 instances. Thank you, Steven. All right. Sounds good. Excellent. Sims. Yes, Sims. Massive sim wants to be ECS. Like any sort of massive sim wants to be ECS. Yeah, massive sim, like if you're going to do like millions or billions of entities, right? Millions or billions of entities. And I feel like 1,000, you could do OOP no problem, right? I feel like that should be fine. Although it always makes sense to avoid OOP unless you really need it. Check the whole message. Thank you, Steven. In the UI, everything is separated and it has its own sections. Yeah, the UI is separated. The code itself, the like actual code, the model backend, that part needs help. Yo, Loons, how's it going? Good to see you. And 1,000's pushing the OP if you need to crawl all those random heaps. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. How's a big hauler? You can do my P no problem. Okay, sounds good. All right. Oh yeah, if you're doing it live, like live rendering, right? Okay. Yes. Okay, Neva, got it. Yeah, if it's a live rendering, then yes, understood. I thought this was like a scientific simulation. You just got a notification called Gemini Live. Google already stole our live chatbot idea. Oh, they did? Well, Google is being busy. They're very busy. They know what's going on. All right, we need to figure out where we're going to do our video stream. I think I'm just going to say stream. We'll just do /stream. How about we do that? All right, at app.get /stream. That'll be streaming our video. Async def stream. And then we need the video ID. Video _ID as a string. Okay. There we go. And then we're going to return the reference streamable. There we go. And then we need to say video dot we can get the iterator, right? Can we get the iterator? Yeah, I think we can get the video iterator. We can do this. Videos dot stream video ID, right? And then we can return the iterator. Or we would call this a streamer. Streamable. We would just call it streamable. Like that. There we go. Okay. I think that's it. Now we just got to test it. To see if it's good. All right. What do you mean, Loons? Oh, sorry. You're talking over there. Sorry. Let's see. Oh, hey, Wolves. Quick question. Do you ever forget you're paying for subscriptions? You don't? Yes. How do you keep track of your subscriptions? Yeah, I just look at my bills every month and I'm like, oh, wait, what is that? Oh, that's that. There's the charge right there for that other thing. That's what I do. That's it. You just got to look at your finances. There's a proper chatbot and then got to check that. There are many chatbots. in the world. Yay. All right. Yo, Prince, thank you for the 100. Appreciate it. Oh, that's very nice for you to do. My gratitudes to you. Thank you very much for the 100. Prince, all right. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Hey, Kyle, thank you very much. Like you made a GPU simulation. Thank you for the hundreds. Thank you very much. Computer that's probably like 1,000,000 times faster than native object oriented. Yes, okay, 100%. Never, absolutely. I agree with you on that. I agree. Yo, hey, thank you for the raid. Oh, that's my first raid. Hey, you know what you just did? You just raided me for, you made me a real streamer just now. Whoa, take a look at that. What is it? Cheervinsky. Thank you very much, Cheervinsky. I don't know if you're still here or not, but you know what? Thank you. You just made my Sunday. It's a new milestone. That's a new milestone. I've never seen that before. Real streamer, all right? Real streamer. Yo. Thank you. Talking about the app, the chatbot in it. Yep. Real streamer, Stormycraft. That's really cool. Thank you. You've made my Sunday. Hey, Cheervinsky. Thank you. Hey. Check a look at that. You've made my Sunday. Thank you very much. What happened? I got rated by Chervinsky. Welcome as always. Thank you. Hey, Chervinsky, tell us about yourself. What's going on? We gotta explain details to everyone. What have you been up? What have you been doing? What are you working on? What exciting things are you working on? I'm actually really curious about that. Tell us. Twitch suggested me to stream. Oh, and I thought that's interesting. Okay. Hey, good to hear it. I was curious about that. I was wondering, like, how did you find? What made you discover? I'm curious about that. I want to know more. Yeah, tell me, sure. If you have time, I don't know because obviously when you end stream, you got to go somewhere usually, that sort of thing. W. Steven, yeah, thank you. You're using VS Code. This is Vim. We're using Vim. This is Vim plus Tmux plus Ghosty. Ghosty. All right. I just clicked raid and then I saw a lit and you were second. Oh, there we go. You love Vim. Me too. It's my favorite text editor. I love it. There we go. It's number one for me. I always say use your text editor that makes you happy. There's so many text editors out there. They all basically allow you to type in text. Just use the one that is your favorite. Not list. Okay. Got it. Sort of. I understood. Sort of. How long are we in the YouTube journey, Joe? Not even a year. Not even a year yet. Personally, I code in Notepad. Oh, Notepad, yeah! Sublime, yeah, there we go. You have to go as I'm super tired after your stream. That's the way it works. But I wish you the best streamer ever. Thank you, Chervinsky. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'll catch you later. Have a good Sunday. See ya. Thank you. All right, let's get back to our code, you guys. Thank you, Chervinsky. Made my Sunday. I'm gonna brag to my friends about this. Like, you know what happened to me today? Someone rated me. I got rated. I'm a real streamer now. All right, thank you guys. All right, here we go. So we're gonna do a streaming video. So I'd like to be able to fetch this video. All right, so it didn't like that, line 72, huh? 72, there we go. 72 on this file here. Let's go to our backend, not the database, the videos. Here we go. So this is where it failed, but it doesn't make sense. Line 72, if not chunk, break. Break is outside the loop. Oh, we're missing something here. Okay, 1 second. Let's go back to our reference. While true. All right, that's what it is. Okay, while true. Got to start a loop. Done. Easy. All right, there we go. When it works, make a pull request. There we go. All right, good call. How far are we in the YouTube journey till now? So if you're talking about the video editor app that we're currently using, the video app that we're making, right? We're building YouTube. We're building a video app for the most part. You can upload videos and you can watch videos. That's going to be the MVP. If you're talking about that, we're mostly there on the backend side. So we have all the video loading, uploading, and streaming. And I just need to test the streaming part of it. So that's where we're currently at. That's what we're doing. Hey, Hocus Pocus. I saw your movie. Just switch to NeoVim. Oh, yeah. There's some plugins you recommend. Oh, nice. Hocus Pocus. All right. Would love to hear about it. Hey, how's it going there? Rinku, just curious about your learning journey. Okay. Please share with us what things you learn and what challenges you face in your journey. I'd say AI and Rust would be the most challenging things. Yo, Tolu, thank you for subscribing and joining the right channel for software engineering. Good to have you here. Happy Sunday. We are building everything with software. We do all coding by hand, things like that. So my coding journey, I started with C++ at 11. I had a Borland C++ compiler on a CD-ROM and a book that I was able to type from. So I typed in from the book into the terminal, into text, then I ran the Borland C++ compiler. That was my first. Hey, Jinfar, good to have you here. Let's go. All right. Curious about your journey. So I would say the most difficult across that journey would have been Rust programming language. It's just weird. There's a lot of things that you traditionally were able to do in other languages that Rust does not let you do. So relearning that was tough. And then AI in general, just the regressions and the science and the math, that part was challenging because there's like a lot of prerequisites there. So those are the things that I ran into that were pretty beefy. That's impressive. Oh, Hocus Pocus, thank you. Maybe a fun project to test this on. For a while, I wanted to make a recommendation system. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that would be nice. Hey, that would be great. Absolutely. That would be great, Neva. What do you think about Golang? Oh, I like Golang. Golang's good. It's a perfectly fine programming language. It's fast. It's about the speed of Java, so it's not very fast. It's not like Rust or C. Rust or C are going to blow Go out of the water. And we've replaced Go, and we saw the performance gain. We made it really good. Should you make an app where moderators can interact using a Twitch, YouTube, and app and moderator thing? Sure, quick fix. Build your hopes and dreams. That's what I say. Build your hopes and dreams. I think that would be a good addition. I think it would be a good addition. Really interested in learning Rust? Nice! Yeah! So we program Rust on this channel. We will be going back to Rust. I want to do the Rust candle library. So we will be doing, that's one of the things that's coming up here. So after our video on building the YouTube app, we will start thinking about doing Rust candle or Malbogle. You once learned Java? Oh yeah, I know, I heard that story. Most other looked easy. Yeah, Java is a little bit crazy. Unsafe Rust, even though you should never use it. Yeah, oh yeah, careful. Careful there. Make a complete end-to-end tutorial on Rust, please. Oh, I've got your answer. I actually do. I've done it. I've done it before. Watch this. Google Rust by example videos. Right there. And you click on this link here, the first link that shows up on Google, and look at what you see. Hey, I wonder who that is. That person looks familiar. Who's that? Who's that right there? There you go. End-to-end Rust. End-to-end Rust. Right there. Right there. End-to-end Rust, you guys. All right. All right. Let's see here. 1 second. Reload that. Okay. All right. Excellent. Excellent. Are we good? Oh, okay. We're good. We're good. Sorry. My video stumbled there for a second. Oh, who's that, my man? I know, right? Yeah, so we did full end-to-end tutorial, you guys. Local admin, thank you for following on Twitch. All right, you joined the right channel. Of course, you already know for software engineering. We code everything by hand here. We sure do. We code it all by hand, as much as possible at least. Because it's a lot of fun, and we learn more, and we remember more, and we're better engineers for it, right? CloudTube uses it, and the limits are not good for live streams. Oh, okay. Okay. I see what you say there. All right, so let's see if we can get our test going. So vi test. Let's do this, vi test. All right, so this will upload our file. Now that gets us back a, what do you call it? A result. So I wonder if we can pass a result into this. So can we say, what do you call this? Can we do curl-sl? And then we say, we'll wrap it. And then we'll pass in video ID or video data. I think video ID. Let's just say video ID. We'll try that. And then we'll print the video ID. Oh, echo money video ID. There we go. We'll just print a bunch of those. Okay. So that should run. Let's double check here. ./test. Okay. Okay. So this is the video data. This is, you see, video data. Data. There we go. Yo, hey, Fivel. Hey, Fivel. Hey, man. I'm running into a load of challenges engineering my gaming hologram live streaming site. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions. Malbolg. Hey, wait, is that some Malbolg right there? Hey, MD, howdy. How are you today? We're doing good. Thank you for saying. How do you feel about Mojo, the Mojo programming language? Very Python-like, right? Kind of intended and designed for AI. I believe it also compiles, so it's got similar speed to a compiled language. Mojo sounds really exciting. I think we should add that on our list. Let's add that on our list here. All right, let's go to stream ideas, and we'll create a new post, and we'll say Mojo programming language. All right, we learn and try the Mojo language on stream. There we go. Mojo, try the Mojo on stream. All right, looks good to me. And other post. There we go. Added to stream ideas, future ideas, right there. Right there. All right, you guys. Sorry for cursing. Is that what that was? You upgraded your monitor with a 2K monitor. All right. Everything looks clean and crisp. Isn't that great? Isn't that great? Hey, Five, let me know if you have any questions about your hologram. I'm curious about that. Yo, how's it going there? Dune. What do you think about C#? C#'s great. I learned C# in Microsoft World because I lived near Redmond, Washington, the birthplace of C#. You're looking forward to the Mojo Live? Nice. All right. So we got a lot of ideas, you guys. We got a lot of ideas here. Basically, unlimited streaming ideas forever. So Stream Ideas channel wasn't bad. It was very good, Loons. Thank you. I'm using it all the time now. I use it all the time. All right. You go to old PC and was searching to deleted apps, and you saw Asus AI recovery from 2011. Really? 2011? Wow. That's unexpected. All right. Microsoft uses C# a lot, isn't it? Yeah, I think so, because they are the creators of C#. Okay, so we need to grab the video ID. So let's do this. All right, so video ID, video underscore ID equals echo money video. Pipe this into JQ, jQuery, yeah, not, or QJ, no, JQ. And then we say dot ID, I think, right? And then we can echo the video ID. There we go. All right, let's see if that works. Loads. Did it work? Video ID not found. Oh, right, here. I did that wrong. Let's grab the data. Looking good there. Okay. Try it again. There it is right there. Video ID. Okay. So now what we can do is we can stream the video. We can stream it. Okay. Need a tip. What do you got, Sassmeat? What do you got? Tip. How do you migrate RPCs from older services to a new service? Well, an RPC is usually a remote procedure call, which is basically you're making a request. You're making a request to some server that's using some non-standard format. Sometimes it could be JSON, sometimes it could be YAML, probably not. Sometimes it could just be some, basic header format. So it says me, I would just look at the format of the data that's going over the wire and then convert that into whatever you're trying to convert it to. So it's all about the format of the wire. Held message for reason, smart detection. Oh, 5-volt. All right, it turns game data into holographic 3D replay. So you can walk around and watch on your coffee table. Oh, augmented reality or virtual reality or desktop, no app, just link. Wow. Wow, that's interesting. Okay. That's pretty neat. Running into a load of challenges, engineering. You're building something very challenging there. You're building something very challenging, which is a good idea. I always recommend building something difficult. Build it difficult. Do we really need to start from PyTorch and move to TensorFlow? I don't. So TensorFlow is easier, and PyTorch is more advanced. So I would say if you want to learn just one framework, learn PyTorch because it's more of the industry standard. I would say PyTorch is the one. Loans for the number one on clicking the high button. All right, you guys. So let's see where we're going here. All right, beep boop. Got the video idea. Now let's stream the video. Let's stream it. Raj, you clicked the high button too? All right. Here we go. Let's see here. So 5-volt. That sound, no app, just a link. Just a link. So this is web app. A web app. Nice. That is amazing. Web app. Nice. Very exciting. Well, if you want, I would be curious to take a look at it. If you're on our Discord, Share under link share channel. On the link share channel, and I'll take a look. Over here on the link share channel in Discord. I'd be curious about it. I'd be very curious. All right, so now that we've got our video ID, let's see if we can load the stream. So we're going to do a curl SL, and then we're going to say HTTP 00, a bunch of zeros, colon 8000. Here we go. / stream, question mark. Do we want to say video ID, or we just say ID equals? I think we should just say ID equals. Let's update our backend here really quick. Main, there we go. There we go. And I want, let me see here real quick. What are we looking for? The stream endpoint, or let's call this the ID. Let's say ID. Let's be the video ID, like that. I think that'll be good. Yeah, you know, we'll just keep it video ID. Video ID. Okay. Save everything. Looking good. Now we need to say the video ID here. Okay. I'm going to put this in quotes. Okay. This should allow us to stream the video potentially. I assume. We're going to see. We're going to see if that works. Hey, Steven. DM you LinkedIn, hoping to hear from you soon. Sounds good, Wolves. All right. Asus included Plant vs. Zombies with the PC. Whoa. That's awesome. That's unusual. Usually when you get pre-installed software on your computer, it's bloatware, right? Is there any other option to reach out to you? Wolves, LinkedIn works good. Discord also works good. So let's jump over our LinkedIn here really quick. All right. Let me open up a new window here really quick so we can see. 1 second. Is it okay if I share on stream, Wolves? Wolves. Okay to share on stream. Yo! Hey, H-Man for the 100. Appreciate you. My gratitudes. Thank you very much. Thank you, H-Man. All right, let's go. Not okay? Okay. Don't share. Okay, just not okay to share. Don't. Okay. All right. So we'll do it later then. Maybe I'll do it later. We'll do it later. Okay. All right. Keeping it secret. You guys don't know what Wolf sent me. You don't know. All right, let's see if we can load this and try this out. Here we go. Test. Ooh. Oh, we got an error. Error. No such file or directory. Oh, look at that. Yeah, okay. So for the JQ, we need to do something different here. We need to say like -E or something. I think -E. Here, let's do this really quick. So this is the problem. It's including the quotes. And I need to say no quotes. So is it -E? Do you guys remember? Is it? Nope, not -E. Is it -R? Yes, there it is. It's -R. Okay. Right there. A little bit -R. Wolf's got to be cooking. You never know. All right. Exactly. Hey, Elden Ring. Yo, good to see ya. I played your video game. Do you know Geometry Dash? Yes. Was inspired by a true story about a man named Joe Mitri Dash, who has been imprisoned. Okay. Forced to jump over spikes. I don't think that sounds real now. I think that's fake. Fake news. Sent something on link share. Kyle, we got to check it out. All right. I spelled your name accidentally wrong. One of the challenges is that there are no real industry standards for web-based virtual reality and augmented reality. Android XR, Web XR, both competing for the space right now. Hard to choose a space. Android XR is used by the cutting edge on AR glasses. Web XR, compatibility for all the VR headsets like Meta and Stream. Oh, okay. So it seems like Web XR is what you chose. You chose Web XR? Steven, you know about Blum? I do know about Blum. I do. Hey, Lewis. Lewis, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Python. No, the Python, don't worry. We're going to switch over to Rust here pretty soon, and we'll do some Erlang, Elixir, Haskell. We're going to have some fun. You chose Web XR for the initial prototype? Nice. All right, good to hear it. Can you code TypeScript? Yes. We can code TypeScript. We sure can. We can do a little TypeScript. How about this? There you go. How about that? That counts. That's valid TypeScript right there. We did it. Right there. A little bit of valid TypeScript. Okay, sounds good. Nice. Scala. Yeah, I know Scala. It's a JVM language. It's way nicer than Java. So just choose Scala, you guys. Choose Scala. Way better. Way better. All right, so now we can curl this correctly. See if that works. No errors. Hey, there we go. I think you guys. You know Scala too. Yeah, I do. I think we're ready to go with the web app now. I think we are. I think we're ready. All right. Scala gives me the ick. Oh, Lewis, understandable. It's okay. How about Clojure? Yeah, how about Clojure? That JVM language, yeah? It's like Clojure. JVM lang. How about that one? I bet you don't like that one. Yep, we're gonna commit it. Git add, git status, git commit am. Video streaming apparently good to go. Push to main branch. Excellent. Yeah, Clojure. Do you like Clojure with all those parentheses? Can you show preview? Yes, Nishant, we'll do that. We'll do it. We'll do it. Let's see. We got a lot of requests here, you guys. So Kyle, let's see. Is this it here? No, don't please no. I will remove your mod. All right. Here we go, Kyle. Is this it here? All right, we're going to check it out. 1 second.
There is a new application on the market called Flip Profit, and it is an online marketplace. And if you want to know how to add the Flip Profit app to your phone, you're in the right place. So my name is Kyle, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Flip Profit app to your phone step by step. First, let's start with Android users. Open your browser.
Wait. First off, wait. Nishant, thank you very much for the gold coin. All right, my gratitude to you. Thank you. We're watching a video that Kyle posted here real quick.
Like Google or Firefox or whatever you use, and go to it and type in app.flipprofit.online. The link is also in the description of this video. Next, click the menu icon. It's the 3 dots up at the top right of your phone screen. After that, scroll down and navigate to here. You can see it's labeled Install and Create Shortcut. Next, click Install and you're all set. The application is on your phone and available offline.
Nishant.
Next,
Thank you.
Let's talk about installing the app for iPhone users. On iPhone, you have to be on the Safari browser for this to work. First, open your Safari browser, type in app.flipprofit.online.
Why spiders?
Enter. Next,
Nishant.
click the 3-dot menu icon. Again,
Nishant,
this time it's in the bottom right, though. And after that, click Share, scroll up, and click Add to Home Screen. That button, and finish by clicking Add at the top right, and you're done. That's it for this Flip Profit
You did it!
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the flip side.
Kyle, that was fantastic. All right. Hey, Nishant, thank you. So many donations. Gold star, gold coin. Oh, the silver star. Hey, and also you did the floating heart. Thank you very much. My gratitudes to you. We're not expecting. Hey, Kyle, that was awesome. I'll go boost you can everyone. Yes, there you go. So Flip Profit for selling products online by simple, easy product selling. Check link share. All right, link share we go. Please don't beg you, dangerous. Hey, Nishant, thank you. All right. Appreciate you very much for the sparkles. Nishant, you're so wonderful. You're so wonderful to me. Thank you. I appreciate you very much. People don't understand what a PWA is, and they really want to download it from, yes, a persistent web app, or what is that? Web app, right? What does P stand for? To download it from the Play Store. It's crazy. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Hey, Nishant, thank you again. My gratitudes to you. Thank you so much. PWA is sad. Nishant, trying to, oh, yep, there you go. You got it. Nice. Prashant, thank you. Progressive web app. Thank you, Quick Fix. Thank you. I forgot what the P stood for. I knew it was web app. Great work, bro. Thank you. That's so nice. I appreciate it. a lot. So we got our streaming video going, you guys. We got the streaming video going. Now we just need to create the front end for that part of it. And I think we should see some videos being able to be played. I think we can make it work. I think we can. I'm sure we can. Progressive web app, you don't have to have hardware compatibility, like a Bluetooth or location. Ooh, very nice. Oh, hey, Five-Ball, I missed your chat. Forgive your ponderings, but the pace at which we gain access to new technologies is only increasing. Yes. Soon we won't be so reliant on 2D screens for interacting with what we call the web, right? Yes. Agreed. 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 Thank you for the hundreds, you guys. Holograms coming to the market really quickly, forming the hardware foundation for the dimensional web. Hey, the best technology is technology that works automatically that you don't have to even look at. I think that's the answer. Hey, thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. All right. Thank you so much. It's a Sunday. So many amazing things happening today, you guys. This is great. Thanks for the reactions. Appreciate you. Appreciate it. All right. Ambient tech. There we go, right? See, that's the best kind. I don't really want to put anything on my face. I don't want to put anything on my body or my arms. Discord link, bro. All right, Nishant, absolutely. Where'd you put it? In Discord. Where'd you put it? Memes, maybe? No. You put it in general? No. Did you say link in Discord? Where'd you put it? Hey, chat people. Wolf, say how's it going? Keep it simple and on the face. Yeah, I would say the best technology is invisible. You don't see it. It's invisible. There's nothing for you to do. That's the best technology. I love it. Oh, he's asking for the Discord link. Oh, sorry about that. I'm like, where'd you put it? Here we go. Here, I'll send to you. Just to you. I'll send it to you. Hey, Red the Saber, good to see you. Nishant. There you go, Nishant. That's just for you. That's just for you. Nobody else. Just for you, Nishant. Red the Saber, welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. Thank you for the party poppers, you guys. All right. All right. Let's get back to our code here. Let's get back to our code. So we got our stream going. We've got our video upload going. So this is a stream video. We got that one good. And then we've got our list video. Or well, upload. This is upload video here. This is upload video. There we go. And then we've got our list videos, which we can run. And then we just need to fetch this data from a web app here. We've got to fetch that data from a web app. Ooh, there we go. There we go. All right, let's do pin. There we go. Hello, hello. All right, Raj, thanks for saying hi. And Loons as well. Rag, hey, Rag Kumar, good to see you. Happy Sunday, welcome on in. All right, let's keep this looking good. Good to see you, Raj. All right, here we go. I want to double check what we want to do here. Okay, so now we need to make a front end. Check message above, Raj. Okay, Raj said hi. And then Raj says, oh, hey, Wolves, I missed your message. Oh, hey, Bimpa. Hey, Bimpa, I missed your message too. Don't ever overcomplicate. Yes, agreed. Miss your chat, you guys. Sorry about that. Hey, chat people, need honest feedback. Would you use an app that manages every subscription you have that tells you exactly how much you're spending on each month and saves you money over auto pay? That's a good question. Sorry, I missed that earlier. Would I use it? So I'm a minimalist, and I tend to make sure that I have very few things that I have to deal with. Advertisement. It's an advertisement, I know, right? Would I use it? I maybe is the answer. Right now, I'm leaning on the probably will keep doing it myself side because I like to manage things myself. What are you doing? What's your creating? Oh, Rag. Okay. So we just finished with the file upload, the file download, the file streaming. And now we need to create a web front end that can stream the video. So it can fetch the video and stream the video. So let's get some JavaScript going, you guys. A little bit of JavaScript in here, yeah? So we'll do a front end. Let's do some front end work. All right. You got me, bro. Just collecting thoughts. All right. Good to hear it. Yeah, so that is a common problem. And so now we've got so many subscription services. So you are helping people. You would be. A lot of people, a lot of consumers would want this product. In fact, I think there already is some product like this today. You can make anything, existing or not. The hard part isn't building it. That's true. No longer is the hard part building it. That is absolutely true, Kyle. The hard part is scaling it as a business. Asking feedback is not advertising. Technically, yeah, no doubt. Hey, how's it going there, Tibor? Tibor, good to see you, Tiburcio. Hey, big brother, the big brother. Good to see it. Thank you. What do you think about Google AdSense? I think that it's one channel out of a myriad of channels, and you need to diversify your channels. You can't just rely on AdSense. All right, so let's see here. I want to do front end, mkdir front end. We'll say vi front end dot index dot html. All right, so we're gonna say video equals. We need to do a video ID, right? Video player ID equals player. There we go. Video. And we're gonna say script. And then a little bit of other script. There we go. And then we're gonna say some other stuff in here. Check memes. All right. This channel has vested interest in my success. Hey, there you go. 100% true. Okay, so let's check memes. You said memes. All right. Which one? This one? Did you really tell an admin to shut up? Uh-oh. What were you thinking? Wait, that one? Was it a joke or what? Wait, are you talking about memes? My biggest mistake. Oh, okay. You didn't mean to do it. Hey, Avisis, welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. Avisis, good to have you here. All right, let's get back. So we're going to do a little bit of video player. All right, so let's do a let player equals document dot. I know we can do get element by ID. And then we can just say player, like that. So that'll give us access immediately to the player. And then we need to do, is there a fetch? There's a fetch command, right? This is new stuff. we need to take a look at this here real quick. Google, new fetch method, HTTP, HTTP fetch, MDN. Let's do MDN. Mozilla Developer Network, fetch API. Is this the right one? Is this it? Is there an example in here? Let's see if we can get some examples here. Or is there a different one? Is it the fetch? Is this it? Do you guys know? It's been so long. Resource options. Okay, I think this is it. I think we just say fetch. Yes, Nina Bias. Oh, that's the one. All right, thank you. Obviously, what are we doing today? We're gonna see. So we got our video backend working. We've got the video upload and we've got the video streaming done. So we've got video upload and video streaming. That part's complete. Now we just need to test it. I know the video upload works. The video streaming didn't crash when we tested it. I just want to see it firsthand. So we're going to assign the ID of the video and we're going to see if it works. Oh no, not that method. Isn't that the good one? Someone joined the Discord. Ooh, all right. Good to hear. Did you finish ChatGPT-like app? Oh, Taborkio. Yes, Taborkio, we did. I need to train it more so it sounds more and more like me, and I did. So like if I trained it for like 2 days straight, it would be a lot better. I trained it for a couple hours and it was pretty close. If I just trained it just a little bit more. Fetch then. So can we do like a wait? Can we do a wait? So we're going to try await. We're going to try the fetch await. So we'll say fetch, and then we need to say... we need to do, let's do this, let host origin equals http://00008000. So that's the main, right? And then we could say, let's see, can we do a template literal? Let's do an origin, money origin, right? Like that. Yo, with the JavaScript, all right. I love that one. That's one of my favorite ones. I like that one. Let's see. Oh, for JavaScript. It's hurting my eyes. Yeah, I know. We're doing a little bit, just a smidgen of JavaScript here. I love JavaScript. Me too, obviously. I love JavaScript. This is my language. It's my language, you guys. I love it. Mentioning the other social apps on here is a bad idea. Yeah, I mean, somewhat. Yeah, somewhat. Usually you want to keep everyone on the platform where they're living. Keep everyone on the platform. You don't want to leave them. Oh, we have to put it in, like, thank you. Like that. Like that right there. All right. Origin in the brackets. / stream video ID equals. This is for the stream. No, we don't want to stream that. This is going to be something else. We need to grab the video ID. We need to get videos. Let's list videos. Let videos equals. We're gonna do a fetch on the videos. We just want, I think it's called videos. What was it? Do you remember? We wrote it just yesterday. Go main. All right, we want to list videos. Yeah, it's just videos. Okay. And then we can have a query, and we're just going to put question mark query equals empty for now, and limit equals, we'll say 2. We'll do a limit of 2 right there. Okay. So this will be our videos, and we have to say await, right? Await. All right, let's see if that does the trick. All right, there we go. Excellent, excellent. Okay. It's absurd. Oh, hey, Destructive Lotus, good to see ya. Still can't figure out what an arrays actually means in JavaScript. Arrays in JavaScript are really easy. They're easy, right? Here you go. Array literal, right there. Array literal, right here. You could do that. 1, and then you could say 0. What does this return? This returns 1. Right? I think this is a true value right here. Right? Let's try it out, yeah? So node, we'll say 1, 0 should return 1 equals 1. True. Right? Arrays. Simple. They're so easy. They're so easy. And you can say 0, 0. There you go. Now, yeah, see? Easy. Hey, how's it going there, Stiddle? Pathic. How to learn Python. My favorite way is W3 schools. If you do W3 schools with Python, W3 schools Python. I like this option here because it's clean, it's easy. You jump right into it. Like simple hello world right there, right? Immediately the best track right there. That's the best track. Arrays, I love them. How did your AI model go? Oh, hey, how's it going there? Glib Globber. It went well. It did. It achieved the objective. It learned the rate of loss dropped, and it was able to speak Steven. It worked, you guys. It worked. It was great. Every subscription paper. All right, so let me see here. It's an array. An array. There you go. Right? Exactly. Follow online tutorial. You call it an array? I call it an array. An array. Great stream. See ya. All right. Thank you, Raj. Appreciate it. What do you like most? React or Angular or other? I would say probably Svelte, right? Maybe Svelte, maybe Vue, and yeah, I think Svelte would be the one. I think that would be the best one to do. Speak Steven. Yep, spoke Steven. You got it. Good Globber. It worked. Yeah. Have to face the problem of wolves. Hey, there you go. So yeah. So if you want, we can do more fun array things, right? Let a equals an array, simple array, and then a is an empty. A dot push. You can push a number into it, right? You can push it again. Push 2. So now your a has 2 values, and then you can say shift to grab the very first element, I believe, and then it will eat it. It's like an eating. It eats the array. And then you say shift dot again, and now your array is empty, right? A dot push is a function. What does push do? And then you can pop it. Push and pop. There you go. So like, and you can also unshift. A dot unshift 1, or I suppose here you go 1. There we go. Now it's got 1 in it. So there's all sorts of fun ways to manipulate arrays. It's really great. Hey, Walker the Coder, what are we making today? We did our video streaming. So we've got the video streaming server done. Now we're just going to use the video streaming server, and we're going to make a little mini web app. We're going to make a mini web app right here, and we're going to test it out. We're going to make sure that it works. So we're going to build it right here. Right here, you guys. Thank you for the hearts. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. I'm going to start making videos every day now. All right, getting 1,000 users each 30 days, no matter what. Kyle, excellent. Good to hear it. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, I'm really excited about it because it's something that, I've always been curious about. You can really make a real business on this. You could make a real business on this if you wanted to compete. If you wanted to make a Vine, right? If you wanted to make Vine, bring Vine back. Let's bring Vine back, you guys. I miss Vine. You're missing my quotes with the video? Oh. You are missing quotes with video ID. Oh, thank you. Here, let's take a look here. All right, you said video ID? Video ID. Where's, let videos. What do you mean? What do you mean? How do you even see that? You love Vine? Me too! I miss Vine. I miss it. Do you ever work Solidity? Oh, right. Yes, I did. I've made an ERC20 coin that has spawned many ERC20 coins. I've done this. I've done my ERC20 coin. I'll show you. I've got it on a gist. Let's see here. Search for gist, and we'll say, take a look at this. User Stephen LB, which is me, Stephen LB, and we say ERC20. See if you can search that. Here we go. Right there. This one right here. Here we go, you guys. Take a look. And it's got some stars. It's got a few stars here. Got a few stars. And it's got, people talking about it. And this is the baseline ERC20 token. And it's got a lot of different things you can do. It works with MetaMask. It can run it on the test network, of course. And it's got a lot of features. When did I build this? I built this. Does this have a date? I built this more than 3 years ago. Where is it at here? See, at least 6 years ago. So yeah, ERC20 token. I built it. I did it right there. Okay, 1 second. Let's pull that back over here. Okay. Did you finish binary search tree? Oh, we never even started it. Oh, Mohammed, we never even started that one. We could build it though. Great energy. Oh, knowledge is kind of encouraging. Oh, Wolf, thank you. Stephen, you're the only person on live streams I always watch. Whoa, Wolves. Whoa, thank you. I missed your message. I appreciate it very much. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, Wolves. Sorry about that. Yeah, some chats, you guys. I mean, in the HTML markup. Let's see here. Wait. Oh, no, this is fine. Oh, right here. Yeah, that's actually valid. You could do that. You can do it. You're like, no, you can't. Yeah, you can. Yes, you can. You can absolutely do that. Yeah. Console.log videos. All right, this is here. Okay. You're like, no, you can't do that. Yeah, you can. Yes, you can. It's valid. I like minimal. There we go. Okay. All right, let's see here. Save. Open front end index. Okay. So open up our window here. Okay. So let's zoom in on this. Okay. Uncaught error await. Oh, we got to throw async. Right. Let's see here. How do we want to do this? So we could probably wrap this, yeah? We'll wrap it up here. Contain multiple data part in which condition you can call array seems more like a hash map. Oh, yeah, you could do hash maps too. Hash maps are, well, I mean, you can do like a dictionary. Which is typically going to be a hash map maybe, right? So an object in JavaScript like that. 1. You could do that, right? So you could say A equals 1, like that. Hash map, a little bit of hash map there. Smidgen of a hash map. Well, it's a dictionary, really. Someone tried to buy my Ninja. Ooh, whoa, nice. GPT, it was made with GP2 in 2020. Now we're going back in time now. The HTML file does not have to be there. Oh, hey, TSD. Hey, thank you for clicking the hi button. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Sunday. All right, so now we've got a very basic video fetcher here. Let me see. Reload. Syntax error. Undefined origin. It's right here, though. It's right there. That should work perfectly fine. See? Right there. Origin. Oh, wait. Oh, right. Okay. So we need to make this async. So let's wrap this as a function that we're going to execute. All right. And then we need to wrap it like this. There we go. We'll just say underscore. And then we'll execute it like that. Semicolon at the end. And then I think we could say... Do we say async here? Async? Right? We say async here, right? Does that work? Do you guys know? I think that'll work, right? All right, let's try this. Access fetch at problem. It didn't like that. Where's this at? Let's see here. Fetch. All right, so let's do this. Let's hide this really quick. Okay, save. Reload. Console. Videos is not defined, right? Let's hide that. There we go. There we go. Okay. Making progress. We're making progress, you guys. JavaScript developers don't debug. We refresh and hope. Yeah, right? Exactly. That's what we're doing right now. Refresh and hope. You got it. Is the sysadmin role good for a fresher? Oh, hey, anime shorts. Sysadmin role, potentially. Yeah, like IT work. That's a good foot in the door, entry-level job. So that's a good idea. Yo, is this YouTube proto? Yes. Yes, it is at TSD. Yes, you got it. Hey, how's it going there, Julian? Bro, hi, how's it going? Good to see ya. Get GH filled to the last time, if you remember, how the captions. Oh, the live captions? The live captions? Yeah. So I'll put this over here on our Discord if you guys are interested. Let me see here. Copy. And it is under link share. And I share this link very often. It's around here somewhere. I'll share a new one. There you go. There's a new one for you. Get back to coding, please. Yeah, we're making our way. We're making our way. How we learn after 10 years of writing HTML. So much HTML. So much HTML. All right, here we go. Let's get this here. Where are we on our time? Okay, we're good on our time. All right. So let's see. This line right here failed because it said origin didn't exist. Let's try it again. Fetch at... All right. So I've got an idea. So let's go let URL equals. We'll grab the URL. Here we go. URL. And then we'll print, console log the URL. Let's see what we got. All right. See? Right there. Perfectly fine. No origin problems whatsoever. See? I told ya. I told ya. Hey, happy hiker. Good to see ya. Hi again. Find this so fascinating. All right. Good to see it. Good to hear it. Good to hear it. Bro, we're building YouTube. Yes, we're building the video part of it. We're building the video part of it. Happy hiker. Thanks for saying hi. You got confused with Python? I did get confused with Python. Because when you jump between languages, right? Jumping between languages. So now let's try to fetch the video. See if that works. Videos. Yep. Okay. Reload. Fetch at. Oh, cross origin. Oh, the cores. Right. We're new with that. Let's add our course headers. I forgot about browsers. I forgot about the browsers, you guys. I'm building the front end. Nice. All right. We're building just a test. We're building a test because we're at the point now where we need to see the video streaming in our browser. We're at that point right now. Old, cold. Yeah, exactly. Shadow. You got it, Shadow Gear. That's the Chrome. You got it. I think you've allowed cores. And yes, exactly. Hey, Dund. You got it. You got it. We're going to do that. Cores. Got him. Got him with cores. Let's see. Google Fast API. Add cores. Headers, all star. We'll add all of them. Every course header. All right. There's a middleware, which we could do. App to add middleware. Okay. Actually, this is it. We just copy and paste that right there. Right there. Right there. Obvious, what'd you say? JavaScript has taught me one life lesson. Never assume something exists. Oh, yes, indeed, Nina. All right. Good to hear it. I'm with you, Obvious. Yeah. I'm with you, Obvious. If I miss your message, guys, I'm distracted. And just let me know. Let me know. Should I use the space theme or white? Space theme. Space theme. Use a space theme. I think that's a good idea. A little bit of space theme. Also, that didn't return anything. It said error. Didn't. Oh, because it's because of cores or something. Probably. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. What is the difference between array and so-called object in JavaScript? JavaScript is a key val. Object is a key val pair. An array is just a list of things, right? That's what I would say it. And you're also using like Rust. You're using Rust terminology there. Absurd index might be a string, I32 or anything. Yeah, your index can be mixed. It can be a mixed index. You can have a mixed index. So destructive, even on, I believe if you wanted to, you can have an enum in Rust that is a mixed index for your hash map. All right, so let's go to our back end here, our main file, set paste. There we go. So we're gonna add cores for everything. Origins, allows cookies with credentials, methods, and headers. Okay. So that should do, oh, we need to import this. What do we import it as? Okay, middleware. All right, let's just grab this here. All right, save, good to go, good to go. All right, VVV. Oh, I remember that game. VVV. If you played that game, it was a good game. Let's see here. Good puzzle game. All right, let's go. Read my message. Quick fix, you said, yeah, Codespace, cool name, right? Codespace, pretty good name. I think it's a pretty good name. I think it's a pretty good name. Okay. If I missed your message, you guys just let me know. Let me know. Let's see here. All right, so let's go back to our code. Reload. Okay. Cores. Hey, look at that. We got a response. Where's the data? Headers. All right. Let's go to our network. Network here. Okay. Videos 404. Okay. Detail not found. Oh, query limit videos. All right. So let's see. Move by test. Where's our list here? Oh, maybe it's called video. Video question mark. So not plural. All right, we can fix that. Front end, HTML, video. There we go. Like that. There we go. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. All right. Let's try it out. Have you ever tried Laravel with PHP? Yeah, from PHP. Laravel from PHP. Yes, PHP. I remember the good old days of Laravel. I feel so wrong learning or working with JavaScript after working with Sierra Rust, right? Destructive Lotus, I know. It feels like such a scripty. It's so scripty, right? It's very scripty. Also, this very interesting syntax that we have here, right? Stone Age, right? All the way back to the beginning. All the way back to the very beginning. All right, so we should be able to reload this. Hey, look at that right there. Videos are empty though. They're empty. Are we actually... So why is that empty? Let's see here. Yo, Snapnode. Hey, welcome on in, Snapnode. Good to see ya. Happy Sunday. Welcome on in. Raja, hello, bro. This is my step Riza? Okay. Your step Riza? Sounds good to me. JavaScript. Query equals empty. That might be what it is, right? So what if we did that? Let's try that. Query empty. Videos are empty. Okay. So we've removed the empty. Because the reason why I typed empty is because I'm not actually using it for full text search at this point. There was no, I believe there's no search clauses for it. There are no search clauses. Right? So we should be able to see, because see, we got a lot of videos here. We got a lot of videos. Oh, also, what we need to do is we probably should truncate the table because it's got a lot of non-videos in here. We should probably truncate it. Hello, bro. Okay, CSS is so good now, though you don't need any framework or JavaScript front end, just much, right? It's so good now that you no longer need JavaScript or framework to really build any sort of user interface. It can be pure CSS, and that is the best way to do it because you can get excellent performance. How's it going there, Parker? Steven, are the comments, replies, and AI cloned voice or LLM or not? Oh, that's really me. That's really me. So what I do is I go through all the chats on the comments. Parker, I go through all the chats and comments on my phone, and I press the voice record button. It's really me. It really is. There's no way. No, I swear. It's real. It's real. No, he's an AI. I know. Real human man from Earth. Real human man from Earth, you guys. I'm serious. What steps are you playing? You don't like the voice recordings? You don't like voice recordings. Oh, yeah. So then Loons, or quick fix. I'll give you just text responses going forward. A real human what? Human from Earth. Real human from Earth. All right. Truncate. How do we do this? Delete. How, can we say trun? Is there a truncate command? Truncate. It's called videos. Truncate videos. How do we do that? All right, one second. Let's see if we can figure this out. All right, Google PostgresQL truncate table example. All right, I know we could do this. I'm not far off. Truncate table. Oh, I was missing the word table. Okay, truncate table videos. Hold on. Truncate table videos. All right, done. Now we can say select empty. Now we have to re-upload. There we go. Test. Uploaded. Good. All right. Now we should see that data here. Okay, beep boop. There we go. Looking good, looking good. Oh, about membership giveaway? What do you mean? Oh, membership giveaway. Yeah. So we do that once, like a couple times a month, and we click the button and it lets me gift you guys some memberships. And that window ticks over on the next month in August. So August is the answer. August is the answer. All right, let's look at this really quick here. Backend, main. All right, video, query. Here we go. Results, search. Okay, so we need to open up our model file, videos, and it's called, was it called search? Search, here we go. Query videos. Oh, it is implemented. Nina, you were right. You were right. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we need to say what the data is. All right, so let's try that. That's what the problem is. Here we go. Let's say query equals beep. How about try that? Let's see if that works. Okay, let's see here, you guys. That might have been the trick. The trick all along. There it is. All right, we got data. Here we go. Excellent. All right, progress. We're making progress, you guys. Hey, how's it going there, Hover Max? You don't need to listen to the voice recordings. The YouTube includes the button to show the transcripts, right? Nina, you were right. You were right. Hey, thank you, Nina. Python. You got it. There we go. All right. Yay. We're making progress. Now all we have to do is stream the video and then we win at life. We win at life. Bro, step low. What country is bro from? I'm over here from Seattle, Washington, USA. USA. There you go. There we go. Seattle, Washington, USA. Right? Hover Max, you're absolutely right. Ooh, Blade Runner anomaly detection test to prove people are real humans. That's going to be a thing that we're going to need here pretty soon. We're going to need that technology. We are. Yo, Horizon, good to see ya. Why are you using %s and not @s? Good question. That is what I was learned to do. Can you do @s? Is that a thing you can do? I'm going to try it out. We're going to try it out. Let's see if that works. It may fail. It failed. All right. It doesn't like it. Here we go. It didn't like it. It didn't like it. Because I'm using, what is it called? Where is it at here? Why is that not showing up here? Here we go. Schema, database. Got it, yeah. So if we open up our database file, our backend database file, we're using Psycob. That's what we're doing. Some Psycob. Hey, how's it going there, Stick? Good to see ya. Hey, Parker. Oh boy, did Stick say something kind of crazy there? Finally make my space front end. Ooh, yeah, your space front end. Horizon, does that make sense? Which language is this? This is Python and JavaScript. We're doing Python and JavaScript. Hey, Savon! Yo, Savon, good to see ya! Welcome on in. Hi, all. Yep, LOL. Okay, so it was from Stick. Okay. Yo, Savon, good to have you here. Welcome on in. Thank you. Hope you're doing well. I see that you have a lot of opinions on the rough nature of AI coding. I can see all that. I watch all the videos that you share. Savon is back, you guys. Rix. Yo, does this pre-recorded? How do you have the subtitles? There you go. Take a look. Well, if you are interested, we do have that technology available for you for free on GitHub. Come over here and check it out. Just go to our Discord and you'll be able to find a link called Twitch OBS Subtitles. right there. Checking on the Discord gives you the ability to add this for free to any of your videos. We built this technology 8 years ago. Terminator for the future. Nina, yes, it's happening, right? Skynet. Skynet's on the way. 2029, right? 2029, that's the year. 2029. That is the year right there. Get back to coding. We're almost there. We're almost done. We're almost done with the video part of it. We're almost done. You've been AI since I broke. Mainstream late 2020. It's been the AI, you guys. Thank you for the hearts. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. So yeah, we're using Psychog. All right, so let's see. Psychob? Psychob. Okay. Subtitles don't always work perfectly. Here we go. Close that. Close the data. All right, so we need to bring this back over here. Save. Brought it back. All right, server's booking again. RAM prices will be high. They sure will be. I'm with you on that. I was born inside the terminal. You were? You have a lot of opinions as a veteran open source hacker. Yes, Sivan is a legit veteran when it comes to software engineering. All right, so let's go back over to our code here. All right, reload. We got our videos. So now that we got our video ID, what we need to do is we need to grab that video ID and then run it through our streamer. We need to update the source of our video element in the HTML page to give it the stream URL. So let's do that right now, yeah? All right, let's try this. Let's try this. Okay, so we're going to say H1. All right, video stream test. H1. There we go. Okay. Yo, crazy, how was it instant? Oh, it's still good, right? You need to make the stream with manual latency for pre-recording, like voice to text. Right? Because then otherwise, usually, typically, it is going to have high latency and it's always delayed. Huh? How many employees does PubNub have right now? Parker, we have over 100 employees. Let's see here. So go to LinkedIn PubNub company. Type that right there. And then you should be able to scroll. Go to view, I think, as a member. Here we go. All right. So it says 51 to 200, but there's more. Is there a way to see the page? Visit website. About. Can we do about? Let's zoom out here. Here we go. Here we go. There's your answer. Right there. Get back to coding, please. Hey, we're making our way. We're making our way. We're almost done. We're almost done. Headquarters in California. What are we building? We're building a YouTube app. Basically, we're going to do a video streaming app. We're doing video streaming app here. All right. So now that we've got the data, we need to grab the video ID. Set no paste. There we go. So we need to grab the video ID, which is over here. Where is that at? Here we go. So it is going to be videos 0 ID. Video 0 ID. So let video ID equals videos 0 ID. Right? I think that's what we need to do right there. All right. Then I should be able to print that. This console log video ID. Here we go. All right, let's try this. Here we go. Save, save, save. Using video frames via PubNub. Oh, see, now that would have been a good idea. We're just doing basic. We're doing basic stuff here. If you want to make it like production grade, I would use PubNub for all of this. We're just doing everything right here in and like a Docker container, for example. I identify as a program running template. Identify as a program running template. Wait, Kyle, I missed the joke. Let's see if this works here. All right, go back to our console. Got an error reading ID. All right, so it didn't like that. Why not? Here we go. Okay. No, I want. Let's see what it returned here. Let's go back to network. Videos. The first element, and then ID. That looks perfectly fine to me. Oh, it's an object. Oh my goodness. Okay. I want to change that. So I'm going to. Well, you know what? I suppose we can. Videos, fine. Whatever. Okay. Videos 0 ID. There we go. So the first element. All right. Now it's good. All right. Console. Reading 0? Really? Hold on. Let's get rid of this real quick. Let's get rid of this. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Videos. Here we go. Okay. All right. Oh, it's a response. Oh, that's why. We need to grab the data. All right. So we need to grab the data. All right. A little bit of a free buff. Nice. Parker, I've been using Docker a lot lately. I'm glad I picked it up after Claude recommended it for a project. Nice. I use lots of Docker. We're using it right now. We're using Docker right here for our database. Make it Q unique UI in the videos and the thumbnail on a transparent rectangle. Oh, yes. Yes. That does sound like a good approach. I'm with you on that. I like that approach too. I'm with you on that. Okay. So I see what the problem is. We need to finish this off here. So we need to get the response. Is there a .json? Can we do that? Do we have to await it twice? So we have to say response and then let videos equals, here we go, response.json. I think, right? Await, because it's a promise. See if that works. We'll log the response. Yes.json. Okay, nice. I'm remembering from way the past. So UDP. Oh, let me guess your video frames pubnub. Oh, it would be. Savant, if it would be, that would have been. We could have done that. Yes, we could have done that. That's correct. Nice. Thank you. Appreciate it. See, it's been a while since I've done this. It's been a little bit of a while. Okay. So let's see if this loads. All right, got to click the right window. Here we go. Console. All right, video's not defined. We can fix that. Not a problem. Here we go. All right, video. Oh, right here. Okay. Let's comment this out first. All right. Make sure there's no errors. Good to go. Okay. Let's try this. No errors on that. Yep, no errors. Okay. Good. Docker is a nice front-end container abstraction. However, I'm using Podman. Podman, there we go. Open source. Excellent. Danger, BSD. Okay. Lots of AI slop. There's a lot of AI slop. Recommend best way to learning coding, only know basic Python. I recommend the best way to learn coding is to do something difficult with software. Video's typed wrong? Oh, is that what it is? Oh, it is! Hey, thank you! Nina, you're paying attention. Okay, video. Let's do this. Video. All right. That's what it was. Thank you, Nina. All right. Thank you. Look at that. There we go. Videos in the array. Perfect. Okay. So now we can get the ID. Print out the ID. Reload. Boom. Right there. We did it. Right here. That's the video ID. So now we've got the information to be able to actually load the video. So we should be able to watch a video. Video stream test, you guys, right there. Interesting to see coding video without AI nowadays. Right? I know! Isn't it? So here's the deal. It's really me like clinging on to like my skills that I've cultivated over the last, 25 plus years. I don't want to lose it. Because when I do a vibe coding, which I do vibe coding, it's like I lose all my capability. It's like these AI companies, they're out there. They're like, oh, you want to be a software engineer? Yeah, you do. You want to be a software engineer. Okay, well, here you go. Here's the technology to now you're a software engineer. And if I was a software engineer previously, oh boy, now I'm giving you all my knowledge and all my information, and I'm relying on you to do the work that I normally did. And now my brain, software engineering, is complex and tricky and hard. So, you know what? Now I forgot how to program. And now I'm even more reliant on you. So it's like this really weird, contagious problem. So let's keep coding, you guys. Don't give up. You've been following Stephen well. Yes, I have. Knowledge trap. There you go. You got it. Neural atrophy. That's it right there. 100%. The neural atrophy, you guys. All right. Here we go. So let's see if we did it. So now that I've got my video ID, now what I can do is I can say player.src equals, let's make our video URL. Let video video URL. Thank you for the reactions, you guys. Equal to a template literal. We're going to say origin. We're going to say stream video underscore ID equals our video ID. There we go. All right. Then we just say video URL and hope and pray that this works. Hey, Bungie, you're back. All right. Welcome on back. Good to have you here. All right, you guys, let's see if this does the trick. Let's see if we got it. Let's see if we did it. All right, here we go. Yo! Hey, look at that right there. I see something that looks like a video. Yo, check that out. It's blurry. It's blurry. We can make it better. All right, we're getting close. We're getting really close, you guys. Hey, right? That's like the first. That counts. That counts as victory. That counts as victory. Now we just got to make it autoplay. Is it autoplay, right? Let's see, autoplay. Let's see if that works. Reload. Here we. Yep. No, didn't autoplay. Okay. So we need add controls. We got to add controls. Video controls. All right. So autoplay equals true. We'll say true. Maybe it's just called controls. There we go. Controls true. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's see if it worked, you guys. Let's see if it worked. You need a good refresher, to be honest. The stuff I'm doing with the AI forces me to fight over the create, read, update, and delete, and the ACID. Yes, the ACID transactions. Good architecture with the OSWAP security testing. Have to go study, roll turn. All right, happy hiker. Sounds good. Here we go. Moment of truth. Is it going to work? All right, I'm not reloading it yet. I'm going to ask a poll. I think we might be ready. Will the video play? Will it play? I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Is it going to play? When I press the button? Yo, in just 90. In just 90. Thank you for following. Good to have you here. Happy Sunday. Oh, all right. You joined the right channel for software engineering. We're currently building. You don't think so? You don't think so, Nina? Uh-oh. All right. Well, we should have enough to make it play, I think. Did you just hit a line? No, I was just cleaning my mouth off. I was just cleaning my mouth. That's all I was doing. Did I just hit a line? Oh. Second guy to vote. All right, thank you. Here we go, you guys. We're going to find out. Moment of truth. Is the video going to play or not? I'm going to press reload. Here we go. Reload happening right now. Here we go. Oh, here we go. You don't have to deal with parsing anything. All right. See, we did it. We did it. You don't have to deal with parsing anything. All right. See, oh, it's stopping. It's stopping part way. Uh-oh, we got a problem. Can we sneak? Can we seek it? You don't have to deal with parsing anything. It only gives me the first few bits. It only gives me the first megabyte. Oh, but that counts. All right, we did it. No, it worked. It worked. Yes, it worked. You mean yes. You mean yes. Okay, Nina. Wow, you guys, we did it. We got. It's got it partially working. Partially working. Partially working. All right. So now we just got to figure out why the video isn't fully streaming. Right? Why the video is not fully streaming. How does it work? JavaScript primitives for the video, WebSocket? No, we're just doing streaming. We're streaming video. It's kind of like how all the major video studios do it. Half works, yeah. 50%. I think that counts though. If you voted yes, you win. If you clicked yes, it counts. 100% that counts. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. All right. Take a look at that, you guys. Take a look. Okay, so how do we get it to... I'm going to reload that, autoplay, and then for some reason... parsing anything? All right. Let's mute that. Okay. All right, so what I'm going to do is... it's working. It counts as working, right? It counts. It counts. Quick fix. We did it, you guys. We did it. So now what I'd like to do is get the video so that way it can stream completely, right? Because it's only getting the first megabyte. So we should get the rest of the megabytes. And I don't know why it's not giving me the full megabytes here. I really don't. So let's see here. Git add, 1 second, git status, git commit, a message. We're going to say video streaming success with a few party poppers, right? We can do a few party poppers here. There we go. Party poppers right there. Push to the main branch. Good to go. Okay. Making our way. Making our way. So yeah, this is just regular streaming HTTP. All right. Vi backend main. Here we go. Right here. Simple, easy. And if you look at the model file here in the videos, stream, it's this simple. It's this simple. Right here. That's it. That's all it is. Keeping it easy. Easy, easy. Okay, streaming HTTP. Yep. It is an iterable. We created an iterator. An iterable. Yo, how's it going there, Bob Paul? Good to see you. Hidden sound. Yo, hidden in sound. Hello. Welcome on in. You're building machine learning that can predict diseases. All right. Excellent, Bob Paul. Good to hear it. But no sync used. What do you mean? What do you mean? I mean, you just got to stream the video. It's just binary data, right? Well, you got to be anything special or fancy. In the backend, maybe chunk size, a range, and a header. Yeah, so here's our chunk size. It's 1 megabyte. It's a 1 megabyte. And that is going to give us the first stream there. You need a chunk only once before the loop, and then the loop yields the same first chunk forever. Oh. Oh. Hey, Nina, look at that. Wow. All right, so you guys, Nina solved it again. Gold star, Nina. Gold star. Nice. Nina, thank you. Thank you. All right, that was the answer. Right here. There you go. Just a little bit, one line difference. You're okay. Well, Nina, good job. Good job. Are you an atheist? Hey, Hidden Sound, thank you for asking about religious beliefs. All right. Which model have you used in your disease prediction? That's a good question. So, who was that? Are you going to try to succeed Google? No, this is just for fun. Can you help me? Yeah, sure. Bobik, yeah. What are you saying? Kind of a project should I go from my, what kind of a project? Final year, build something amazing. I would say either a computer vision project, because that's usually impressive, right? Build a computer vision project. He's Illuminati, right? I could be. You never know. You never know. There's no way to know. Buffer. Here, this is it right here. All right, got it. Yeah, so it does a little bit of pre-buffering. So that should do the trick. Here we go, you guys. Here we go. Let's see if it worked. The app name for this again, Horizon. We do have some ideas. I'll show you here. Oh, let's see here. Some ideas. Here we go. Right there, BlumTube. Right there. That's the one. And there are a few others though. I don't where they went. I don't know where they went. Thanks, man. Anyone with Rust? Ooh, yeah. Rust is good. There we go. He's Batman. Oh, look at that. There's no way for you to know if I'm Batman or not. Yeah, you don't know. Currently, I'm learning YOLO. Oh, computer vision, object detection. All right. Ultralytics, you guys. Ultralytics. PubTube. All right. PubTube. There you go. Would also be cool. All right. Nice. Mac or Windows or Linux. Uname says Darwin, which means Mac OS. That means Mac OS, you guys. A little bit of Darwin right there. All right. Let's get our next song going, you guys. Here we go. Here we go. Could be Illuminati. You never know. Yeah, so this is Mac OS. Good question. All right, let's close this. All right, Nina, let's see if it worked. Here we go, you guys. Here we go. You don't have to deal with parsing anything. All right. See, look how clean that is. Isn't that fantastic? We did it. Doesn't that look really good? We did it. It's streaming. Satisfying. It's just automatically passing. It's streaming. You can see. On the query, the see right here. Args, right? The keyword args. Oh, that is just using Python in the best possible way. I just love this so much right here. We did it. So you just specify what you want in your query parameters. You could also have like a sort order, right? We did it. Which is going to be it's streaming. Say an integer. Right? It's so live video streaming right there. Down, so -1, +1, if you wanted. Beautiful. We did it. All right, you guys. Thank you. We did it. Congrats, Steven. Thank you. All right, let's commit all this code because we don't want to lose it. Git status, yeah, git add, git commit, message, success, full stream. Thank you at Nina buys. Here we go, Nina buys. Thank you. All right, for the ultimate, and now you're immortalized in the git commit. Yay, it's working. We did it. We did it. Hey, Shubham, good to see ya. You joined, you jumped right in at the right time. We did it, you guys. We succeeded at the video streaming. We did it. It's live now. We got it. It's streaming and it does everything the right way. And it's all built-in container, everything. And it's clean, it's lightweight. There's minimal code. I would say the code craftsmanship, because I wrote it, of course, is pretty good. Hey, thank you for the congratulations. What keyboard are you typing? Oh, what is your keyboard typing word per minute? Probably like 60. It's not much. You don't need to have. Python makes it dead easy. They sure do, right? With the fast API. Thank you. I could also do this in C. I could definitely do this in C. Going to make the front end. All right, sounds good. Sounds good. All right, we did it. Oh, this makes me so happy. All right, you guys. So let's do a walkthrough on the code. Let's delete everything. Let's do a little bit of code cleanup here. All right. So look at all the things that we've done. This is our table schema. We wrote all this from scratch, right? This is how we insert data into the table to add a new video. This is how we search for videos. Rage baiting a React developer making component with C. Yeah, what? Play some games. Oh yeah, we could. Now it's time to celebrate. C would be trickier. It would be for sure, because you have to deal with the request and response for the stream chunked encoding. The goat at Rust. Yeah, there we go. I know Rust. We sure do. The craziest Rust. It's so good. Next time, make it in C, because learning it, right? Because learning it. There you go. I'm with you on that. Currently think of something with pools, diff physics devices, making the resources virtually accessible from the connected device. What's your take? I have no idea what you're trying to do there. I don't know. Read your message, quick fix. Making it with no AI in Notepad. Oh, there you go. That is some skill, right? That is skill. Skillix. You got some Skillix there. I say let's make it in Erlang. Ooh, see? So, Savan, you bring a really good point. What I also want to do on this channel is I want to do some Erlang programming. We could do some Elixir, right? Because it's a nice top of Erlang, right? And Haskell. I think those things, I have not spent much time with those languages. I think that would be a lot of fun. I also want to do Malbogle, right? Malbolg, which is a crazy programming language. Elixir, yeah, there we go. Which interpreter do you use? What do you mean? What do you mean interpreter? Oh, are you talking about the Python runtime right now? For the Python runtime? This is just C Python. This is C Python. Regular C Python. That's what we're doing right now. Good question. You did it the right way. All right, so we need to decide what we're going to do from here now, because the server side is working. I was talking about selecting my final year project. Oh, got it. Okay. So final year project. Right. Okay. All right. Sorry about that. Missed it. So let's see here. So pools diff physical devices and makes their resources virtually accessible. Oh, so you're saying merge all of the hardware capabilities across a bunch of devices and do a cluster computing project. So like cluster computing framework. That is a cluster computing framework project. That sounds pretty good. Yes. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. That sounds like a lot of fun. And you would be able to distribute. I recommend that you distribute and coordinate the workload using PubNub, of course. That is a way to distribute workloads across machines for the RPC. I recommend doing that because it's really easy to send data and receive data. Check my commit. All right, we'll do it. So that would be the communication side of it. However, in order to do the resource sharing, you have to build a lot of code yourself. So it's going to be a hard project. Pubnub.com. There you go. Thank you, Kyle. All right. And it's a really good way to do that. I wonder if there's anyone requiring some Python moderations. Wait, modernization or AI work. Maybe. Small change. All right, sounds good. Let's see if we can make it. We'll pull it in. We'll pull it in. Go. Git status. Git add. 1 second. Git commit. Code cleanup. Git pull. Origin main. Here we go. Git pull. All right. Pulled it in. All right. Git log. Updated video script for better clarity. Okay. Let me see what you did here. Stat. All right. So you updated the index file. All right. Let's take a look at what you did. Let's take a look at what you did. Is this pub2 repo publicly? Yes, it is. I will send you a link to it. I'll send you a link to it right now. It should be right here. Here we go. All right. All right. Nina, are you on Discord? Are you on Discord, Nina? A study channel. All right. VS Code. Sounds good. I leaked your email. Well, you put it on GitHub. You put it on GitHub, dude. You made it publicly available. It's right there. It's publicly available. You made it publicly available. Sadly, no Discord. All right, here you go. There's the link to the GitHub repo. I mean, what software do you use for programming? I use Vim and Tmux and Ghosty. That's my favorite. My recommendation is use the best coding language or the best code editor. Thank you. Hey, absolutely, Nina. Thank you. You were a big part in this project. Appreciate it. What software do you use for programming? This is, I use here, I'll let you know. I do Vim plus Tmux plus Ghosty. Those are the things I use. Let's see here. All right, so. Okay. So let's open up the file here. Vi index, front end index. Okay. Oh, nice. A little bit of clean there. I like that. So they got rid of my underscore, which is, you could do that fine, of course. You know, like, doesn't have to be any other way. Let's see. Oh, nothing happened. What happened here? You just cleaned it up. Okay. So it's the same file as it was before. You didn't do anything. All right. That seems fine. Okay. Why don't you use VS Code? Because Vim makes me happy. Vim makes me happy. And yes, there are Vim motions that you can add in as a plugin to VS Code. I just use it. And window.main no 0000. Oh, where's our, let's see here. Origin. Oh, I see. Okay. So if I run this, it will fail. If I run it, it will fail. Right, so I'll reload this. It fails. Yeah, it fails. So this causes it to fail. This update, this change caused it to fail. Vim makes me happy. Yeah, I thought for our power user, exactly. You started PubNub a year before WebSockets came out? Yes. Wow. Done. You got it. You are looking, you know what's going on. Wow. Yes. Wow, that's impressive. Yes. Very impressive. Very impressive that you know that. All right, sounds good, Bobik. Have a good night, Bobik. Thanks for being here. Sorry you broke it. Yeah, you done broke it. You done broke it. I like how you're like, here you go. Here's some code changes, and it just like blows it up. That's funny. Don't worry, it's not a lot of code. What's the difference between VS Code and Vim? They're both text editors. So they basically achieve the same objective. Vim requires you to be in the terminal window, which is fine because that's where everything else is. That's where all my other things are, right? So I like this here. Wait, really? Before WebSockets were spec'd? Yes, before it was spec'd. Before it got started. Spec'd. Maybe spec'd. So I don't know. It just was not widely available at the time, right? There was no WebSocket. If there was, we would have immediately launched with WebSockets. It just was not available. It was not available at the time. So that's why. That gives you the answer there. All right. Should we revert this? Should we revert this or should we keep it? What do you think? Revert or keep? What should we do here? Revert or keep it? And it is cleaner. It is cleaner. Alex Shaw, hey, how's it going? The idea of coding scares you? Oh, well, you fixed it? Oh, you fixed it. Okay. Oh, do a poll. Get poll. Let's see here. Get poll origin main. All right. Let's see if it worked now. Host name. That does not count as fixing. That does not count as fixing. Here we go. Reload. Okay. Yeah, it's still broken. Still broken. So you wrote your own version of WebSockets? Yes, pretty much. We had to. We had to, yeah. Is wrong because the origin is the front end. Yes, exactly. See? You know. That's why I immediately know it's not going to work. Alex Shaw, what are you making? So we made a video server that lets you upload videos and then stream the videos exactly the way you would on YouTube. It includes chunked streaming, so that way when you play the video, it can stream the content at the position that you want it to. It also, I believe, supports jumping in between different parts of the video without you having to download the whole video. So it's a streamable video. Good to see you. All right, Savon, thank you. So I'm gonna fix this really quick. I'm gonna fix this here. All right, so we're gonna say our origin. Oh wait, wait, the HTTP. Wait, hold on a second. :/00008000, and that will be the origin. Okay. And then this needs to be just regular string here. Here we go, regular string. Fetch cannot call API endpoints through the star protocol. Through the file protocol? Yeah, that makes sense. What's an origin? That's just like saying an endpoint. You could also call this an endpoint. Yeah, so you could say endpoint const endpoint equals. It could be the same thing. We could call it endpoint if you want. It's basically like a web address. It's a web address, right? You got a new patch? You committed a new patch? Okay. All right, pull. We'll try this. Get status. Get reset hard. Get pull. No. Pull. There we go. Okay. Vi front end index. Oh. All right, that might actually work. Let's read through this. So this is weird. I didn't know you could do this. Const origin equals const origin. Is that a thing you can do? I don't think this will this work? I'm not familiar with that. Origin doesn't exist, so you can't assign it to origin, although you're reassigning it here. And this will always be available. Windows.location.origin is a thing, right? Window.location.origin. It's not a thing. All right, it thinks it's file. Interesting. This won't work either, I don't think. Yeah, this also doesn't work. Hey, quick fix. I didn't think so. Yay, gloomy traffic. Good to see ya. Happy Sunday. Welcome on in. We finished our video. Finished our video server. It streams the video. You can upload videos. You can seek the videos. You can span and jump. Retry. All right. We're going to retry. All right. Let's see if this works. All right. I don't think that'll work either. Here we go. Yeah, that does not work either. Yep. That also does not work. Nope. Const origin protocol equals file. Yeah, right. Nina, yep. 100%. So this is going to fail. This won't work right here. This is the problem right there. Oh, hey, how's it going there? Hauser, could you answer my previous question? Yes. What did you say? I missed your message. Live subtitles next level. Hey, how's it going there? Minecraft. Good to see you, Minecraft. Thank you for mentioning it. Yes. How old are you? Are your eyes the shape? Are you sleeping enough? Oh, I'm just old. I'm old. So I'm in my 40s, you guys. I'm in my 40s. You've been watching, just not live? Oh, been drowning in work. Hey, gloomy traffic. All right. That's the way I like to do it too. I like my work. So Hauser, I am in my 40s. So that might give you the answer. I'm in my 40s. There you go. So thank you for telling me about your message. So Minecraft, yes, live subtitles. This is free tech that you can get live on our Discord if you want. 40, you look 25, Nina. I know. Thank you for saying that. Thank you. Please don't say you're old. I'm 40. I know. Hey, no. Yo, hey, how's it going there, Corpse? Corpse? Whoa, thank you for following. Appreciate it. Good to have you here. Happy Sunday. You joined the right channel for software engineering. We're currently building a video player app. You can upload. It's like basically we're building YouTube. Just the core foundation of YouTube. We finished the web server today. We got the streaming HTTP done. We've got the video upload, and you can list videos. So we've got all the APIs mostly done. Basically the foundation, the MVP, good to go. Now, Quick Fix has been doing the front end and making things break. Quick Fix is breaking the... you're 40, look 26. Yo, I thank you for saying the 90s was 10 years ago. I'm sticking with it, right? Exactly. The 90s, 10 years ago. It's never been... Would have never guessed you're 40? Well, yeah, I'm an old person. We're old now. No, AI did? Okay, AI's trying to fix it, but it's failing hard. It's failing hard. All right, so I'll fix it. Don't worry, I'll fix it. Here we go. I'll fix it. No way you look 40. Well, a Ryzen CPU, thank you. Thank you very much, appreciate it. All right, you guys, so let's see here. Let's close this, undo. Let's see if you pulled anything new. Nope, okay. All right, I'll fix it. Front end, index, location. There we go. I think that might have done it. Let's see if that does the trick here. Here we go. Reload. Boom. There we go. Easy. That's all it was. Literally, that's all it was. There it is, right there. Streaming video. Ageism's dark magic. I know, right? Hey, Rebellion on. Good to see ya. Happy Sunday. Hey, Steven, how are you? I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. We just finished our streaming video. Check this out. It's streaming. You can see it. I should be able to pause it, and then it won't stream anymore. And then I should also be able to seek. So I should be able to jump and play that. Here we go. Oh, seeking isn't working. Oh, well. Oh, well. I thought that would work. I was like so excited about that. I'm like, look, we can get it to seek. Let me try that again. Let's see if we can make that seek now. Seeking true or something. Maybe see here.
You don't have to deal with parsing anything. All right. See, look how clean that is. Isn't that fantastic?
Yeah, whatever.
Doesn't that look really
That's fine.
good?
That's fine.
It's just so satisfying. It's just
Okay.
automatic.
All right. All good. Recheck. I added some styles. Okay. All right. Hold on. Git status. Git add. Git commit. Fixed video. Video play. There we go. Yep. And then git pull origin main. If I missed your message on chat, just let me know, you guys. I'm doing very good, Rebellionet. Thank you. Thank you for asking. Next, make an AI chatbot through programming. Oh, yeah. We can do that. We can absolutely do that. All right. So, did you pull in some git log stat? There we go. Let's see here. Did you really? You added some styles. Are you sure? Is it live? Oh, it is live. Hey, take a look at that. All right.
You don't have to deal with parsing anything.
Hey, look at that. All right. It's bad though. No, it's good. It's fine. It's perfectly fine. You added styles. It works. It works. We did it. I call this a victory, you guys. I call this a victory. Streaming video. It's streaming. And it would be nice if I could jump ahead and seek. Only your space theme though. It looks good to me. Party poppers. You know it. All right, you guys. So where do we go from here? What do we want to do next? So I count this as an MVP complete. Is there something that we want to do more? I'm learning Python right now. Oh, hey, Nolan. Nolan, fantastic. We just finished a Python app here, a Python video app. So you can see all of our code here. So our code right here, typed all live on stream. We can get rid of some of this because we already did those to-do items. Let's close that. Steven, pull this open here. Yep, so we did a lot of coding here. Yo, hey, Lope, hey, thank you for the party hat. My gratitudes to you. Look at that right there. We got a party hat, you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you. Appreciate you. Python video apps is your forte also. I had to say that, yeah. I'm with you there. Very good. So I like my PyTorch. I love my PyTorch. It's one of my favorite things. Yo, Lope with the flower also. Thank you very much. My gratitudes to you. Wow, you guys. This is like a really good. We made a milestone today. We made milestones today. Thank you, Lupe, for the flower. My goodness, that is so happy. You're making me happy. We got a raid on Twitch for the first time ever. We've never done that. But it's never happened to me in my life. That is like a milestone. Like, I'm a real streamer now. It counts. It counts. I'm a real streamer now. And you guys are giving me all these wonderful donos. You're working on Gaussian speculative decoding. Ooh. Wait, let's take a look at that. Google Gaussian speculative decoding. Decoding. Let's take a look at that really quick. Here we go. Here we go. Inference. Oh, hey, for the happy poo. Hey, Lupe, for the happy poo. All right. Thank you very much. Lupe, you are wonderful. You are so wonderful. Thank you. Thank you. You are so wonderful. Oh, that is awesome. All right. Speculative decoding. Inference in large models is a bottleneck. Is sequence processing. Okay. Sequential, which limits throughput. Traditional speculative decoding uses fast draft model to predict tokens. Oh, interesting. Okay, so you're using a smaller model to predict the next tokens, and then you're using a bigger model to verify those tokens through batch. So speculative decoding, right? So you can do a batching. Is that how that's working? So you can do one large batch at once? Yeah. All right, good to hear it. That makes a lot of sense. Sir, can you tell me how to check if the number is Armstrong number or not? I don't know what that is. I don't know. Lope, thank you. Thank you very much. What is Armstrong number? So this is pretty neat. I like this idea. I like this idea. It's pretty neat. There's also diffusion-based generation, which is a little bit different. So that's different. Let's see, Gaussian mathematics to optimize the process used for continuous image generation. Okay. All right. Interesting. The more you know, you guys. All right, we did it. So what do we want to do in the following streams? We've got a lot of things that we can do. We can either add another feature to the video streaming. We could move on to something new. I want to do Candle in Rust. I think that would be a lot of fun. I also want to do Malbogle, which is a programming language that's not meant for humans. That's Torva's idea. I want to do Torva's idea. Steven, my dog, web scraping. Yeah, from months ago, you remember. Whoa, good memory. Hey, Lupe for the high five. All right, thank you very much. Lupe, recheck. All right, we'll recheck it. Lupe, thank you for the high five. Hey, that's great. More neural networks. Yes, okay. Have tomorrow a technical interview. Any tips? Wish me luck. Oh, Nina, good luck. The idea is collaborative, right? So if you're in an interview, you really want to establish a communication with the person that's interviewing you, and it's a good rapport. That's the most important thing by far, hands down. Of course, the technical aspect of it is key. You don't want to mess anything up for sure. Though really it is all about, hey, if we're talking together as humans, do we have a good communication style? It's a team fit thing. That's the most important. It really is. It is. Thank you again, Lupe, for the high five. Let's do a drawing app. Ooh, that uses AI. Ooh, that's a good one. I like that. Let's do AI betting model for positive expected value. Ooh, the infamous. Are you looking to profit? Thank you for the today lessons. Oh, have a nice day, Nina. Thank you. Thank you, Nina. I like your positive expected value. Yes. All right. Get poll. Let's do this. Poll origin main. Get status. All right, 1 second. What did I do on my main file? Did I do something over here on my main file? I deleted a bunch of stuff. Yeah, I deleted a bunch of stuff. Okay. Here we go. Get status. Get commit. Clean up main py. We're going to pull. All right. And then we're going to reload. Oh, that you undid it. Yo, what happened? What happened? Oh, weird. Oh, you broke it. You broke the whole thing. It's busted. It's busted now. That's a good one. AI drawing app. Yeah, there we go. There we go. That could be a lot of fun. Let's add that to our stream ideas. Stream ideas. Hey, quick fix, you broke it. No. Yes. You did. You broke it. Okay, so let's see here. We can go under stream ideas. Stream ideas. There we go. Okay. And then I want to add a new one. We'll say, what do you say here? No clue how Steven knows how to do all this. What age did you start with computers? When I was 11, I got a Sam's Teach Yourself C++ in 24 hours with a Borderline C++ compiler on a CD-ROM. That was my first programming adventure with C++, which is definitely a mistake because that language is quite complicated and I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't. Friend Slop Games, research it. Okay. Live streaming, coding, gaming, and one video, and it would take you a week probably. Ooh. Who taught you when you were 11? My book did. The book taught me. No one I knew was a computer person. Everyone in the world that I knew at age 11 was just not into software or computers at all. At all, you guys. Yeah. So that's my answer. All right. So what do you see here? So reading got you where you are? Yeah, technically, yeah. Reading got me to where I am. Yeah, that gives, yeah. Reading is the answer. Reading is the answer. All right, you guys. So what's our future stream idea here? Let's see. AI drawing app. And I don't know exactly what does this mean? All right. So how does this work? What is it? What kind of app? What makes it AI and drawing? So those are the things I don't know. AI post. Okay. Fixed it? Are you sure? I've heard you say that more than once now. Are you sure you fixed it? Are you sure? All right, let's try. Poll. You'll add details? Nice. Get 1 second here. Get status. Right. Get reset hard and then pull. There we go. Okay. Fatal. Uh-oh. It seems there are already rebase merge directory. Oh, did you force push? Let's see here. Get status. Get status. What happened? What'd you do? Quick fix. What'd you do? What is the song, Steven, before it changes? Oof. All right, you got right at the last few seconds here. It's called Icy Paradise by Serene Flow Productions. Icy Paradise by Serene Flow Productions. All right, you got lucky there. I almost missed your chat message. Yes? Okay. So something broke now. Is coding you earning for life? Julian, yes, technically. All right, so thank you guys. For those of you who are new here, my name is Steven Blum, CTO at PubNub. It's a company I started over a decade ago with Todd Green, my co-founder. We raised 134 million, Series E, 1 billion devices on my network that are doing in-app communication. Basically like chat, order delivery, multiplayer games, live stock quote updates, IoT, Internet of Things, communication for devices. What do you think of Kim's new model? Oh, Kimi, the Kimi K3, the Kimi K3 model. I've not tried it out because I typically kind of avoid anything that might expose things on my computer. And Kimi, yes. So let me double check that. Hold on. Hugging Face models. Let's go for, you said Kimi, the Kimi K2. This is, let me double check. It requires remote code execution, so I don't use it. I choose to avoid it. Remote code execution, I do not trust it. It's a triage system that uses smaller model APIs. Oh, wow, really? Nice. I did not know about that. I'm a genius. Oh, Julian, well, thank you for saying that. That's very nice. I appreciate you very much. I appreciate it. A drawing app, so basically image gen. Horizon CPU, does it count for, all right? Does that count as image generation? Is coding, yeah, so if that answers you guys' question, let me know. All right, so yeah, it's my tech over here. That's how they made it cheaper and faster. They got the prompt. They get the prompt. That's who. They get the source. They get to copy everything. You're right. Gloomy traffic. That's how they do it. Wait, Stephen, you track livestock? Yes. Commodities pricing? Yes. That's what I do for work. Oh, for farmers. Oh, nice. All right, good to hear it. What about Kimi K3? So I'm not familiar with Kimi K3 because I've never used it. However, I do assume it's going to require a remote code trust, which I do not. I do not. That's how they make it. That's how they do it. It is. Try the poll. Okay, we'll try the poll. We'll try. So this is why I don't trust that. I don't trust it. Okay. Get poll origin main. Okay. Seems there's already a rebase merge directory and something. Let's see. Get status. Get status. Get reset hard. Hold on a second. So I'm in a weird state here. Interactive rebase progress. All right, here we go. We'll try this. Okay. Get poll. Looking good. All right, we'll try polling again. 1 second, you guys. Model's 10 out of 10, bro. Oh, there we go. All right. Poll successful. We did it. Okay. Let's see if it works now. Try this here. Ooh, very nice.
You don't have to deal with parsing anything.
And the video works too. I like the background. All right. Very nice. All right, you guys, we did it. So we've got our plan for tomorrow as well, right? So we've got a lot of ideas. We've got a lot of options. Do you guys have a favorite? Here's what we'll do. We'll do a poll and then we'll wrap up for the day. So we'll do a quick little poll here. Here, we'll end this poll in the poll. Thank you for the hundreds, you guys. Success, we did it. Here we go. I should also be able to say loop. So we'll loop it. Looping. Zoom in a smidge. I guess we can't. I'll close this here. There we go. Okay, perfect. All right, so plan for tomorrow. What are we going to do tomorrow, you guys? All right, let's create a new poll. Start a poll. Okay, to plan for tomorrow. We could make more. All right, no. Stream tomorrow. Stream plan for tomorrow. All right, let's see. What are we going to do? You guys? What's our stream plan for tomorrow? We could do more work on the YouTube app. So more YouTube app stuff. Video, right? We could do that. We could like productionize it, right? Make it more scalable or something like that. We could go Rust Candle. This is what I want to do. Rust Candle. Right there. Some Rust Candle. That's what I want to do. You're waiting for details on the drawing app? Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay. We could do drawing app, though I don't know what that is. Like, that's not something that I can guarantee that we could do tomorrow. The AI cannot be static too. It must be an active, continuous participating in the shared... Oh, so an AI is drawing with you. That sounds interesting. So is that what you're saying? So AI that draws with lines and shapes. Like that? Something like that? Does that make sense? And then we can have another option in here. What else should we do? We could learn vectors. Yes, vectors. Oh, okay. Sure. AI that draws with lines and shapes. What else should we do? What's the other thing? More AI. We could do see. What else should we do? You guys? I don't know. There's so many fun things. Oh, right. Malbolg. How do you say it? Malbolg? Like that? Let me spell that right. 1 second. Let me see. Yeah, Malbolg. So this is a very difficult programming language not meant for humans. Okay. So let's try this. Let's try that. Start poll. Okay. There we go. All right. So those of you on Twitch, the poll over here is on YouTube. Cross-domain health, space, and education. Ooh, updated the styles. Oh, I'll check it out. Cool. Nice. Okay. More YouTube stuff. 50%. All right, let's see here. By get poll origin main. All right. Reload. Ooh, very nice. That's improved. That's much improved. I like that. Very nice. Looking good. I know the esoteric programming language, Malbogle. Yeah, it's very esoteric. Not meant for humans. Cross-domain health, space, and education. Kyle, do you know specifically the details on that? I don't know what that means. So we got a 50% YouTube app. More YouTube stuff there, which means that's like really, what is that? That's like 75% of the votes. Okay, I guess we could do more YouTube stuff tomorrow. Can you skip to a time? I can't yet. We need to add seeking and tracking. So that could be something that we could add, right? Cool app. Building real stuff really teaches you a lot. Yeah, I love your approach. Jeremy, thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, we decoded all this by hand. The UI is made pretty by Quick Fix, which is vibe coded. Though, hey, it looks good. It looks really good. And yeah, now we can upload any video. We could do like video listing, so we can like scroll through videos. So we could do video listing. So we could do like an infinite scroll. So we can add like infinite scroll. So that seems to be like what we're looking at here. Bye, Steven. All right, so so we got a plan for tomorrow. Monday plan. We can add like infinite scroll. Yeah, that's a good one right there. We can do infinite scroll. AR using the camera. The AI applies graphic overlays. Ooh, augmented reality. There we go. No vibe coding. This is by hand. Oh, really? No way. Oh, quick fix. All right. Good to hear. Good to hear. All right. Nice. Very nice. Computer vision exam is in 2 days and I'm not motivated. Oh, Soki. Hey, computer vision. Actually pretty straightforward, right? Usually convnets, right? Some convnets. You might do a vision transformer, right? So a decoder, might do a decoder in there. To get the exact output, you can do some classifications. It's all about correlation coefficients, right? Those correlation coefficients. I love those. I love those. Bounding boxes. Ooh. Okay. So do you do generative bounding boxes? Or do you do all bounding boxes all at once? Like a giant like array of bounding boxes at the output. Because you can build both models, right? You can build one that gives you a boom output all at once, or you can do one that generates each point one at a time. AI gives example coding modified. Oh, cool. Quick fix. Excellent. All right. So we got a plan for tomorrow based on the votes, you guys. You guys want to do more YouTube-y or more video streaming stuff. So that's what we'll do. We'll do more video streaming. I think we'll do it like this. YOLO. Yeah. YOLO from Ultralytics. Nice. 2-stage process. Okay. Got it. Make Where's Waldo AI image analysis. Oh, we did that. Hey, Kyle. That's something that we did a long time ago. Like last year. We did that last year. We made an image detection system that was able to detect Waldo. And it did pretty good. It did really good. It found a couple of those fake Waldos too. But you know what? It gave you like 3 points and one of them was always Waldo. Skipping with the keyboard. Ooh, that would be good. Yeah, we should add that too. So you could skip forward and backward. Yeah, so we should do infinite scroll and video, what do you call this? Video skipping? Video skipping, something like that. Hey, A777, thank you for subscribing and joining the right channel for software engineering. Good to have you here. We're going to be building so many great things on this channel. We go live every day at 8:30. Next week, we are going live a little bit earlier because we have a bunch of meetings on Tuesday to Friday next week. So we'll be going live like at 7:30 instead of 8:30. You already added it? Pull it? Okay. Video skipping forward. So these are things that I want to do for Monday. Let's see here. Git commit. Monday plan. Git pull. No. Pull. There we go. All right, there we go. Here, let's see. So did that work?
You don't have to deal with parsing anything. All right. See,
I think I have to do extra stuff.
Clean that is.
I think I have to do extra stuff.
Fantastic. Doesn't that look really good? Oh, it's just so satisfying.
Here we go. Let's try this again. Okay. So see, it doesn't skip ahead. So we need to fix that. We could fix that. So that could be something that we do tomorrow. Let's see. What about being able to speed up the video? Oh, yeah, like 2x, 4x. There is a playback speed already built in. Right. So good news. We don't have to build that. See, now we're talking really fast. We're going really fast here. Okay. 10x. Oh, instead of the usual 2x. Oh, you want to go real fast. Okay. Select the video. Select the video. What do you mean? What do you mean? Okay. So we got a plan. We got a plan, you guys. We know what we're doing tomorrow. All right. Thank you. Let's see. Get status. Let's see. Get push origin main. So I'll update my stuff here. Okay. So quick fix. You'll have to poll again. You have to poll again for any changes that you make. Ryzen CPU. I like that idea. So we could grab that as well. There we go. So we could say like a 10x. 10x fast forward. Wow. If we made a custom video element like YouTube, etc., that's what we'd have to do. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining. I do have to get going now. We had a lot of fun today. It was a new milestone. We got a raid on Twitch. Oh my goodness, that was great. I'm a real streamer now. Also, we had a lot of donations. Thank you guys. Appreciate it so much for all those. I appreciate you guys. I get working on that. Sounds good. Sounds good. Quick fix. All right. Good to hear it. So tomorrow we will be doing more video. It might be the last day that we do video stuff, unless like we really get into it. Because I would like to move on to something else, more like AI focused things. That's like really where I love. Thanks, Steven. Keep smiling. You too, Gloomy. You too. Appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. All right. We're wrapping up stream now, you guys. Had a lot of fun today. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. We'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Bye, everybody. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you for joining.